Odofupa. Aha eye Adom TV. Jumedi we ye nkranshen sembre. Na me amiri ho chia me ye fra me ni tekote go na ka cho ganyo fo bi jim. Na no abrante be fra me a ye fra ni tekote go ntin kram hwe. Adom TV na me tientia. Anka me tin kram fo station abetin kran ye ka. Inno aga na akpa. Yo, ma me na me nuano ma wo Jamestown. Choko ni bukom nyina me mama akwaba. Na me nuano ma wo su la nwa mbanye fon manye kemba na kanu chumo na no menye okoko memle kani afen nwa ajo ofen. And the next situation where you have to learn to keep silent. And I'm a debano. When someone is sharing their problem or pain with you, when someone is sharing their problem or pain with you, that is when you are required to remain silent. As somewhat true obi di yaw. O wa huya mu o ka kire wa sa mena se o ye di ye tie no be ya o sa na utie no asopam sa de we di mani pe bebre because bebre is what is obi kan so o twa so ade we mi kunu yem bi na no madam ye bi na je say o ntwe mani pa na kan asam ni wie na o twa ni pa na no na o kan ya wonim na wo so wo share our problem na je say what the advice aba onipa no o misa for advice ope aso e betie no enti emra obi hia sa betie no pa aye emra nipa no wa hia mu a bibe tete no eno se kan no tum ne tie me na wo tie no akodum pempenso bia ya na adwen se ye twa ne kasa no so ne ye ma advice a ye bo nipa no da bi de ne se ye ma nipa no kwan ema onpo oyade no antudwa rekope se nipa na kasa o kan ye ha na koma so adema kire wo na wadwuma ne se obetrans din ye tie no asopam na empo oya silent witness watie ne boko na watie de oka nyina na oka wi a wanti ase a eti wo se aha na de na siye na woni de na bae emra ogoso eka no na oyi oya ne firi mu ansa wabie wano aka bibi yemebre na obi ba ho Thomas na no ni bit na che watwama no yene sa na no a me fe makwaba o se ni me honam ya me ya me dafie me se me nua sa ebe ye wate kasa manipa ne kasa nwie ebe kura obetime bisa ne pispe de na ka opesa o ye fa ho de ato we penipa na opinion onya kwase asa ono so wo bibi obeka okana anya yi a no apebi aka kire no yemebre ye na obi kana sama kye ya ya na yefo se ndim bibi si nipa no ne ebi ano na wo ye ne se a na afa ha mama ye nya sa suban no mama your opinions are important but always seek the opinion of the person going through the trouble for they also have an opinion of themselves. Learn to listen to their problems and pains and once they vent out they become healed. Yeah? As some to obi na obi eno akasa o kasa dum pepenso obi ayarasa de man. They find the pent up feelings. They share mu no oka ena me kunu ena manen kasa. Encourage the person to talk. Sir. Did you say ya no anka enkosi mra ono mawie. Enti dia na afo se be afa ho. Oseminua minim ana amadwe me se yesi afa ho a na wo soso ne ono kan na wagina so e de ye akwankere ne emponkranshe samama no entwa ne pana no emra wakasa no enti emra mo behia so beka wa no atomu eye emra obi afra wa oka de ha no akire wo the moment you have to keep quiet at the moment someone is sharing their pain and problem with you the moment you have to learn to keep quiet at the moment someone is sharing their problem or pain with you, that is when you are required to keep silent. The moment of silence for you is when someone is sharing their problem or their pain. That is when you have to learn to keep silent. Obi abo anim. Oka na hi asem. Oka asem ahye no so. Oka oyawdi asem achiro sa oh eno ye one active listening na wotie o carry us into minua we ne be ho de o se minim nya meye na efe wo de wadwen kire eba na adwen kire no ko abesusu aka o man advice o on a counseling sa ne no ene dey ma kire ade ba ko abaya ya na inisa kasa se ye dwum se ye dwumam se aso dan mu se awade mu o ye nsua komia kakra ma menya ha na meso me ko kama no ntum wa fikire ho na menya yankopon enyao ena se nkoma production team fo nyina eja weba kampadu weba mark film ena Richmond ena Thomas camera osmosis ose ni te ko ma me hwe papa osmo ma me na me nhirao ebusuafo ewa Adom TV nyinara bi nyame jamo enya fire ni free ha bedwuma di magye ne koso aka se yede kasebo ebrewo ana meja wo
yada sibim yesambo akwa Badom TV bedwam dwumadie no eso na yamo ache sonko yada apostle doctor ni taekute guase eni nkwanhyensem de edu so no ye bedwam kase ansam no ne obati bi ni enne wa Akwatia abato obekoso wo ho na wo mo esefata se wo mo boban ma bibia ye kama no wo ma ye krado eno ne nsem bi na ye de bro Adom TV bedwam kase a wo Facebook /Adom TV extra obenya ye live ewo ho ahwe Go TV channel no ye 119 and a DSTV channel no ye 280 ko YouTube ne search Adom TV tube ko adomonline.com and semi ne nsem so eka ho medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de wientie se de nsem ni chemu ankasa etie Ghana Police Service any one more a babambo ma wabene ye pa no eguso a wo ye won sankyere ne enne day by election ne koso ewo Akwatia batom pesia no eso a Director General Operations COP Dr. Gariba and a Director General National Patrol COP Mohammed Sureja name penifo ahodo bi no omo ehwe se bibia be ye kama yato aba no ewie
Ana Akwatia by election na nyame Adom ochene de be hyehye so nam so ma okopi mu ewo bia ho no ma aposifo ede mu kokopi okokopo ban ewo ho no mu ene ye de ntia hodo ama wo no mu ewo kwan a ho no befa so ede wonjuma ewo by election no emu na we ena empanyifo a wo no mu ene di santity enim ene Director General Adom Operations Ghana Police Service COP Dr. Vance Garba ena fe COP Mohammed Hussein Surajo no Director General Edema National Patrol na we enam so ama Regional Director the Military Commission ewo appointment no John Apia Bafo and in Central Focus and order to just say
everything is set, everything is ready, security is superb. Even they have a mobile prison van so that if somebody comes and misbehave, the person will be in prison. So everything is set. At the moment there's no challenge and we are not expecting any challenge because we've done our homework very well.
Ghana Police Service actually nipa mienu efa basabasa ye koso wo sotum ene omajo eye homowo dadia na won mu die no eho Adom kase ya mane boni kwadwo mensa abram pako ho ama wonde ya konsam so ma ohina wote adwaso ofise na imi kase nipa yi etu a wotu ye nti aka ne ba kase no etwaso
onam basabasa ya okodo bra na homowo afahye orekodo o sotum damanso na omanjo Juno who went teminti onamdo ma Ghana Police Service sesha o ahimfie bieni na no worbo ban wo ho a bia ye gine eye sotum ohene na ahimfie aha na ohwere ne ba ya o nsam na osi ni mu na Ghana Police Service za to gwade sesha besebesa ya okodo na onamdo ma wachi nyipa bienu ewo damensam ya okodo no do a ogudo a wo ye hwehwemu na wa hwede za papari ye danu bia no obotum na wazato as won kire so otum ohene ne fie a omanfo ba na worba na wabama ne yakọ onam ne ba oka ho a ofimu ya uninti bia ye gine eye ahimfie n'anyima ehun de police car no gina wo damanso na mebun na manfo bebre na wetwa echa ha wayi pape ohene wanyiri ejajo ewoza wesi no ho no says when chire krom za ya proba ya boy no de ne zide sesi aze ya da asomdwe aba kakra police fo wo krom a worhwe de asomdwe mapa obotum afa ne tampa efra yama asem no so yabeko deze asem ne chi ya hwo bebi a etiri na nan bada onam police fo won hwehwemu a wa hya asa sesi a wa chi nyimpa biini Kojo Mensa Abrampa Namansebo.
Greater Accra Regional Police Command say one match nipa mienu ewo majo ene so to mbasabasa ye so menam so nana ahwere ne ba no ehun semni.
Aposifo a wɔn wɔn kran e de abeto dwa sɛ wɔn akyi nipa mienu bi a wɔn susu sɛ ne so ewo omanjo ohene Epalis a mentemu ase bi baaye nano memenida a wɔn eye wɔn homo afahye wɔn akira enema omanfo edigu akwam ne ensema wɔn de ma wɔn no eno anaposifo a wɔn efi special support unit a wɔn fi national headquarters echi Christian Saka a oye private security officer ene Newton Alote ono nso etwi eye okada bi a oye dispatch rider na mentemi wase ekoso ewo sa fashe nim no enam so ma nipa miensa eto anananom wonse do ebimu nso epraye abra womo chi nipa du nwotwe womo enya eye enema hodo bi mu efi Newton Alote eye cartridge bi Christian Saka ono nso no na etuo eye lokai bi na bi ekita ne de epistle krante ene niema hodo bi eka ho sese womo ede womo akotwirimu aposifo nso de niema egu akwan mu sene asomdwe ebeba sampatem ho Regional Police Command ede ato omanfo etiti empatem ho se womo nka womo akomanto om yempa na obi a wo ensembi efa ne ekoso womo nso a womo de womo akanwura womo ehwehwe womo betime ede ato aposifo enim na womo afre eye 34 number 18555 anase 191 aposifo ebeje oso fefefe so.
Enipa dodo no na nam galamse amena yetutu ayen kata so nti na wato na nanom nsie do wo dwaboso mansi mu wo Western North mantam ne mo na foforo kra aba ya bemu a fiedu amiensa amena ye 20 yan kata so ne wato na nanom nsie da de hye ne kire se penifomfo wona yan si foma wanhwa ebeje nsem.
Ene se kopi mu ewdwaboso mensi no mu no ewa toye tifi mantem no mu a arewosem esi namso ama ababa wodi mfinhia no edumiensa ane din ene test name Idrisu etinana no mu ensiedu no nyina na se galamse amana bia wono mu etu awi a wono mu ankata so abofra yi akwakotom wabra okose kokwakope enu a wono mu edebesugya ewofie na we ene namso amatememfo bia wono mu ewo empotemu ho de desre eto mensi assembly aban ena fi bambudwumekuo mpenyimfo nyina enimu se eni yetu galamse edi enti ne ba ne sa se omo ka omo se na politics na we anya politics asemu enya politics asem ye so se aban so de ne nan besi fom na galamse no wa mo mo agai de famla kwan so easy because obi da fa ne yetu galafa edi enti ne ba ne sa enti ye pomacho aban yes zero eni ye DC mon sole mayen because de yakon enkoyie ha dwen pa enra yenua ene ne tifi amso amkotutweja amonam nso no ho na koi amkoi amoba na kula isuesi wo se amudwale ene ma ba akoko toma ye hu akwala ne bio emla ewu nya nipa amkoyi akwala na kwala 13 years akwala na frimu ya ama ye dwen ho ayenti ase.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe no na owura bia wanya mfia aduanan num a woye kuani akromfo akobo ne tuo ekono wo pamro so ye wa atwema mpono ya mansimo e wa santemantem
anaba ya me wa darafu bi basi atwem no se yasenra kana ni ye boso woni ke bia wo cheje krom tinu oko darafu ne ba no se ana kene si kwa jamba o toka ya kwensi mi wale seni ni kitu adia pelikema aze blani ya kuna to kwa enusu inimio anzeche
omanfo a womo nso etete empatemu woni Adom news nsentwofo etwetwe nkomo no womo nso de tudwa
na touch asase ejina me na me yese mi nyina ntino light na no ye de ne damani na me yese me beko nipa no de light na to me so no so timde kwa nso na ono no ko nechi na baako etamdua eto ntimi me doje
kaisa kase fa en omunim se akromfo nim se adwadifo nam kwan we so a omukodi omudwa sika wo mo
police ni bia mbo so saa kosi ahlesu woko no ni mo de mintimi hu
we kan kura se miensa no we kan wa miensa nti e be stress nka penifo no mehwe no mo meye bele bi wo ho man na mu a na enye sade a eni
enipa mienu ato na nanom nsia do bra ya lolo ba CBA ni break hefeli no akotwia faso e was Central Business District yenkran ha president ye tag President David Kojo Amwatin eni edi enkomoyi
Tezi ade nipa mienu eni efiu okay obi a oni sania yi lolo ba so no omo elodu o opposite cocoa board ha no enumre from 3 kono ye ma no ne oma bakum omo sa ko omo fi no omo salai ndo omo ba omo pate e wo street me so anji no de obelodu ni fi wa na the next car na ba nti nda car ni tu ya the next car no or start ya o be pono and I'm say o fairly break nti no na o so dane nensa jiri check ku board ho so dane nensa no for pavement no na on the pavement is yenya no mu mai bi eto niema wo so enenye a car ni nu egu form a e be se nya car bi kwa na ono so wo opposite cocoa board when nka baas no nke ku wura cocoa board etan ni mu ama baba akokwa de me no ka say ye intestines de gu baas na fe ya ni enyan in fact nyama esi ene no asamo esi ni asamo eden moya
Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama anya ne report di kane free Article 146 committee ya woye nhwehwemode afa se ye Chief Justice Gertrude Araba Esaba Saki Tokunono emunsem eni.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. President, in March this year, you received 3 petitions pursuant to Article 146 of the Constitution 1992 for the removal of Chief Justice Gertrude Esaba Araba Sakitokon, and the public was made aware of this fact. Subsequent processes dictated by the Constitution and the decisions of our Supreme Court were gone through, culminating in the establishment of our committee under Article 146, Clause 6 of the Constitution. The nation was further duly informed, and when we commenced our work on the 15th of May 2025, the Minister of State for Government Communications was briefed and notified the public about it. There has been considerable interest in our work, shown through comments and opinions by Ghanaians and international observers as well.
It was ansem we no na Mampani John Dramani Mahama ejina Article 146 Section 9 year 1992 Constitution so her Ladyship Justice Gertrude Araba Saba Saki Tokuno a free office and many me.
Omanpanyin John Dramani Mahama ene ejina Article 146 Clause 9 and 1992 Constitution mo ashe say Chief Justice Leadership Justice Gertrude Araba Saba Saki Tokuno ojina juma e de free nsem efri ene ekro. Omanpanyin esi segina ye wabra basonko bia wote se wono mo fanya hwehwemu ahodo emfamfa kwadu bia Daniel Ofuri e de bebo Chief Justice ewo enema bia wo kire mu a enya de se koyi ewo no dwumadi emo yebekaya bese wo so mekakra etwemu na omanpanyin eje to edi free Council of State who na wono mo chese Justice Tokunu onfa na juma entwentwen so kakra na hwehwemu ahodo bi afa kodu ahodo ede abono wono mo enwie na se wono mo hwehwemu no nyina na so sefata so san na juma ma na wono mo ede amano nemu no so ansem fata wono mo amane na juma ato hono mo enne nam so ma ende Justice Powerman in committee wono mo awie sa hwehwemu ahodo no nyina wono mo akire se enema bia yakukire ede agu Article 146 Clause 1 1992 Constitution no no Chief Justice ebunu nyina so no nam so amani wono de afutu ama mampanyin se wobetumi asiginaye e de afa Justice Zukunu ensemiye ehu ana mampanyin so etumi krona ehye no se afutu bi a committee de bema no no sapepepe ena obedi so na waye na wankrata ndi free bank simu ebaya kasama for the mampanyin John Dramani Mahama ena afi oswafo no hwe abankita hodi ensem so Felix Kwachofu so nsa hyase akire se efri ene ekro Her Ladyship Justice Gertrude Gertrude Araba Esabasa Kitokunu enya de se woye otemwafo panyi ewo man mu ebiom na we ena wasankrata ne mu no hono ma kire se committee wono mo ete yese woni asem mu hwehwemu no wofa kwankroje so ena sene Ghana amamna no so esie ena wono mo edidi wonjuma wono mo akwenya ama Chief Justice ayebo no kwadu ena afa kwadubofo Danilofo mu nyina eba be yinsemisa awodo ano a eno ebuaye ema wosi gina ye ne wono mo esie
Aminyira no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hana brema kwan na ye de esi eda semre ne adaje a wode ma ye woda wo matwen ye ye woda bonkrata no ne Adom online stories no ho a ye de to so sesie twen ya de ye da na se hwe September na enu ana ye si mre na ye second no onyami ya mpa na do ye do so so asore na ade pa bia che kwan ho odin kura wo techema da abodue ni padua na kwa nyina ye adwuma oni abusua ne adofo won kwa kasa awrade ye na do ye do so dodo ye da na se ehwe so pa ene ne bambo afia hyase a bedru ne so oti ase a ya dom nyonyansa nyotumi nyaho ofe nyusika bio ya dom no marefi sa dom re wo sori no pa bia wo de na se da be ma no wakoso ama nhira Adom ne humobro atoyenso emu achi biem ne emu akwaba Adom TV Badwam Jumedi esu biem yada sepa 5:30 ne bae wonyum to mu saa na sese edidi mu ana Apostle Doctor Nita Ekutegu aba na obehye yenkran se be ya ja obenya ho keka sori owie pe news no ba ene awie news a yede de bonkrata ene Adom online stories aka no etwoso edi amount yemu achi emu akwaba papa enyi free ha ne kai hunu say aha ya election headquarters kokromoti power hu say ne ahofade no ye gina kono enye ntokwa si yekokumobi na emmom yekoyi mrahwebedwani na wabegyina mu de ama Akwatia bato mpesua no so so wo mrahwebedwani ora Ernest ya okumi akanchinego serade nkoso mfa ne kransie na enne ya srewrade say ya okuminti asomdwe mra Akwatia yenyi okandinia obebo ama Akwatia gira ne naso nti aha ya election headquarters enyi free ha ne koso amane na ha nyame nkona me wa ha me ne miankasa mi JP Jordan Bismarck akwasinsi aboaten ene gira ha beme na menchia we
eviam joso
se bia bokode
nyame ti ase
nyame ye too much
yes
nyame ye na do ye doso
kakra se na wo ka no ene second
na second no
na bia ka se afi no ye sha se no adwen se bia
ebe
wia
debi enima na ekọ
9th month mu ene evre na yenko so nyagidi se nyame yodi ahye nyima pass obekwa wie pa
obekwa wie ye pa do ye record mianchia radio fosufu
radio fosu 97.1 and the almighty CEO Mr. All White
Mr. Alfred
Alfred abo e chia de wajme fo nyina nyame nka mo ne mo anya magebre 8 year live on radio fosu 97.1 FM so yere mo asa no pes magebre na maka so de fiedi kan de bonka tamu san odo aba
e de no beto so
your online
kan sanche de adehia mo wa Akwatia
yes
eni ahoho a ekọ
Akwatia
yesre mo ni die mu pa
at least
yesre mo nkohwe
yen kan kire ye ho se we die enye case study fama yen
for
all our elections
mamo nkohwe ne ya adehia nkofo adehia nkofo okunonom nkofo yerenom nkofo wofa ne yenso wa yesre mo ni die mu adwuma ne yekoye
why
ye report said ye hunu no na yaka yesre mo ni di
sem train ye bibi na so na enye ho a bo please for amane
na
ye nyi ni free edom ni mu sene bia onkofa asem emba
sa
emfa mara na nhye won sem na nkopa na sum se na police ne ya suspend ni e ko na black man not
o pa
na wo police ni so a ye de wakọ no asumdwe nti na ye de wakọ honom ye nka se wo na akọhwe ama asumdwe aba no kokọ se trouble na akọ se trouble wan bi aba asumdwe na aba ti esremo nso ye nnuam se dwerefo nso a ekọ no so no enjiji wani mu nkoka asem a ye nka menem se ade ba ko pe na fiade bia masua ompenfo kasam de nam esi enye nsem nyina na ye ka na bedwam ti twekoko no kra so aka se ye wade nyina ho kwan sunye ne nyina ne fatai to de bia ba bia wo ka asem ye no kore ba bia wo gina wo ka no
you're careful.
Emani dangerous.
Because be na opponent bi na gina ho na bu afu
ebi no kra se obi wi abato mu baba bia na wo gina ebi enye safe fama engigi wonim don't be the messiah
ene
hwe wo boko platform awo ho abato commission pen for na yomu nyina asotre no be bia to nani eni te ko gina botrika ene part we wiem power ye be hwe
just wo gina nipa nim no ma report
yes
by the time be realize no wa
ye be bo
wona na mo sa
ye be bo
ye careful
wa hwe so ye bu please ni ya opa nsentwene aso na ye suspend edi sasentwene say bi ye na kai no
tese
suspension ye ma na bi ode akwa akwetena fie etiye so ye kono so no ye tu ya na reka
enye careful
ye ka se me ye ka no kore ba ye hunu ba bi ye gina ye ka no kore no na nkofo how amfa mre
ba so ni nyina mu na ha ya election headquarters nti se wo pese wo follow na wo hunu ne ekoso wo Akwatia by election e bono nso pepepa e sha ase no a wadaro ma station ni ida FM ana TV ana adomonline.com ana YouTube ko hono mu nyina e dem live ye de bebro enkohwe bibi enkonya BP ko wanha de wo bi beka no no bra ha be aha ya election headquarters ye de to ho a since won say yam fomoda ti madaroma moma no enna ha ye behwe na ya fra kwasi azo na for one mayen update no I ya hwe se nkofo de boa beto ho we nya general election there but ya hwe because vox pop oni ade hye ne ye nice o my ready aha
it's more likely say this time and say voter turn as against other by-elections
to say bia ablekumade said
we voter turn out no likely say e betimi akoso
but security agencies ne de are ready
5,500 we don't expect anything apart from peace.
Okay.
Daily Guide, if you are all set for Akwatia by-election today. To be better than Akwem. Say Akwatia by-election. Yeah, because ne day no. Be better than Akwem. No, say about to come some pen for sorting out or more materials. You want to be here a juma. You know, say bamboo phone so ebo simpi be out do I say or to me ebo ni na. Just be better than Akwem. Na ne nanai echi. 4 days later, Tamale Central, NDC clears 12 aspirants for September 6 poll. This September 6, and then 4 days from today.
Yes, NDC for one and nipa.
For now,
6
nipa 12.
12.
Yes.
And they are contesting. No other political parties. NDC
for now, the Mati NDC for maybe for Mati so much pull out.
Yes.
The NDC for the nipa 12. Actually, we think you know mukwa kuyumba
ayo.
Against September 6 by election Ebasono. Mahama makes history. Sacks Chief Justice Tokono. Eti or the mama Justice Gertrude Tokono Efoni Aba. Na ebimu ebisa say it is in the Supreme Court judge so be the Mampania Jefferson. They say ono onye Supreme Court judge. And also onye Chief Justice bi.
Any retirement na mu no we.
Eno ana obekwa anesa. Eno afale squash for su e kan say and more say the ejane kwan no judicial service no be tu ho anamo na ne o say the jane kwan no e ejane kwan ne o so no so the jaga na aban so no o de ejane say ye bungalow say ye car say ye security ya no wo say ye bibia no obi ye aban ne de bia no o so ejane e kwem de magana aban. 2 arrested over Soutum homo shooting e ju mo asmo no na ye kan na police for the betu just say watch nipa me so mo sani pa bonse me course no onim ho ebi toko no akoyi wo ho ano ewom 22 drowned in Galamsey pits nadmo penfo and ebo sama ne se Galamsey amana yetu ya yankata so nipa be se adwenu mienu akotom. Daily Guide no. The Chronicle. Executive interference in judiciary is dangerous. Lawyer Kwesibo Jr. and Ekasa say eti mrani mi so na Ekasa say sene aban penifo etesoro man pani atena ye edu ohunu ehunahuna oh my God atemu adwuma no ehu pa te penifo ntu wan ma dachi bi ebetimi enya susasbody e de amaye. Why Mahama has removed CJ Tokono to the Bokata so echrim sem wakrute sem nyane mama pani John Dramani mama gina so e de epam mame Gertrude Araba Tokono efri akonya se Chief Justice no so talk the Bokata benyemu akenkan. Adom to NPP delegate, vote for me and I'll make Ghana great. Enti Dr. Ya Osei Adom former education minister enso na say as a NPP delegate betimi ato aba nyame yare mo General Bosome 2026 no on to aba from this as betimi ma Ghana ayekra behwe. The Chronicle and anyway ba ne anopay. The Hawk newspaper. Galamsey free for all. Pepra sacks IGP task force. Miners back on site. Eti on the penipod da a concern small scale miners. Kodjo Pepra efoni aba. Yase afere Galamsey no obia ntisim no konko ene de. Esan say concern small scale miners pene oda no. Oso apam IGP mrante na you see a quite ma Galamsey for the nyina. And it's as ma Galamsey for no as I come back on site. Baumia brine trade blows over aka 9 pe. Eti Dr. Mahmoud Baumia for ni ewa na fe Dr. Brecha poso for ni ewa. Na Dr. Mahmoud Baumia etita for aye t-shirt bi. Yo matre Baumia win. Aka 9 pe.
Ya no ye dia.
Say almost Dr. Baumia nya 41.7%. This will nya 9%.
Ewa he national dia no ka na party ne.
There be national.
Oh my Ghana dia.
Oh my Ghana dia.
Na unya nwie party wo do national.
9 pe. Na yes or they are crossing 50 plus 1. No. And Dr. Brecha must say, "Hey, Dr. Baumia you so. I count 9 we one is war." And just say and got Dr. Baumia na bia.
I can say.
Or say election number 2028 dia no. Obi a wo ba bia 0%.
Ah yeah, it's true.
So obi o ba bia 0%.
Yeah, see.
To obi any 41%, obi also need 56% bia. Obi o ba bia 41%. 0% and now the ban. Dirty catch secret. Loot lies and betrayal in Jan and past courtroom clash. Okay. Let's talk about that and I can carry the hawk. I don't know. Daybreak. Let there be peace in Akwatia. It wanna April Akwatia akunya kese no. Omienu efoni ewo ahanum. Guinea conflict. 10 bags of rice, 2 cans of oil for Ghanaian refugees in Cote d'Ivoire. Enti enyan mo a edwane free experimentive do manten banyere empate monum no. Yese empenfo e de emo bottom akudu. Ena anwa enso kankan no so mienu akomo so omonye. Enti jene de so menya bi wo ho no mo.
Ne makwo nyina.
Ne makwo de menya bi wo.
Ometwa omeyanwa mo.
Cote d'Ivoire yes. But ometim kwa jollof. Say ebia a spice no munya ko ba ebia omo no ene krumu kwan wa. Ebia spice no munya ba baba ko ne ehwo atoso de dia ometimi anya e de etwam de. Gold board pricing regime opaque and unfair. Lawyer Patrick Boama enso na ekasen. Ese ekwan fa so a gold board for to gold free Ghana minus on enye so msisi omo papa so msisi omo no ano edi daybreak enso ma me fa the national enquirer enwena afia man kwa fa ko adomonline.com talk on the force on own dagger ejiraboket ya bwa man ese nye man pen ma ha man aya bibio nebom ma me tokonu onu a na chewe de bokata mu atwena no abia so pa yeso onu a na atwena mna no akwakotomu nti de bokata ma ne obo eno se maami ya na atwena mna eno akwakotomu. Kevin illegal mining minister moves to scrap LI 24620 or the minister for lands and natural resources ora imana amakofi bua efoni aba osiko betimi afa so abo me etu efmogudi etu basa o mamunti na ba ya chase etu anamo am ye yi LI 246 na mama fotimi akonya ekokwa ye bretom kotu galamsi MA mining no ye yi e de efri honum Anamamo Fisheries College to set to roll out as minister inaugurates curriculum committee nti yes yeti eye college bi e de ama wona eko aposoko yi eposo enam e de eba ne se na bia obenya nimde ne ntitiye ye pa e wo dwumadi na wo di ne national enquirer ene de we ba na anope
adomonline.com samna dodo no atokunu de no e wa ha na kwatofo su de wo ka ne se tokunu remove a victory for rule of law enti eno so adomonline.com e wa ha eno a oloya bi etuma me get through tokunu e for sanka be ya we no onko retirement okra ni ya sa na de bia emra form sanso kase no mu ya de bremo se ya chiri nipa mienu o majo ya basabasa ya course nam sunti ebi kura free mo no aposifo ache emu mienu na Akwatia by election National Peace Council yes so oni NDC ni MPP she wi acha ngozi hwe because MPP hu ne se NDC the constituency executives for the buy so mo be sign ne sa peace pact omo hia national for 90 ankosi hwe ti ya
de for this go mo pese NDC for the national executives
sa omo the national ne ba na ha
okay like omo NDP for the national executives
NDP the national the buy
okay
but NDC the constituency no mo say no mo sai nti eno so eho asem eno no kan attorney general be de akire na e kasa say Chief Justice here yi na afiri. Yeah.
O say
ntwayi na esabi a ye atwa a yenye careful. And also eho asem no bradomonline.com ensem we ni bebre wo ho pictures ni audios wo ho a wa woje bra no akenkan. Abezi emre no aso. Nti yem fancy hamodaro ma radio fosufo ye chia mo akwaba. Channel song say election headquarters ene ha ko he bibia ha ho ye de bebraw ko sisa ye bepon commissioner ana returning officer ebe so onipa ni ensemu so wosomasi ana obenten wona adi nkunim no enyu firi ha ma na ha reporters e wo monten so ye be fra wo mo ye koyi ye nche ye de gudiemu nsamo ba health tips na e ba na fi ya to no so pepe be ma wo update na because ketwa na obedi e star 281 hash option near 4 star 281 hash option near 4 try to see e na go for di na also di fashe wata so ai ye kwaba e da se
Fantastic morning. I'm saying I'm saying I go to 12 so Badwam will can see some dots so there's a fata south in here. Kete was saying no do rebia no pay your ban say na Franco Trading Enterprise from Papa Fee plans Papa Fee the sia concoin in 7 bros Franco Trading Enterprise from Papa Fee anyhow. Yes, if he next week he call Franco Adama but by this time the name is me sports on 3 years ago. Yes no panu sianwa na me hot. You really news na near the sports at 12 so. Like I say, bonny hot, me bo quick anopa na kwambia so no. The akatwa so the aba. So, and yeah, sports they be bro 50 man day kono. Your friend sorry copra. Sorry copra sports. Ntita mu chuku 50 joda eko. No pan ye news na mama sorry copra. Ansana the akaba. Enti yes. But me draw. Yes, make 1,000 Ghana cedis and I no pay 1,000 Ghana cedis and I no pay the channel so FIM star 281 hash or select Adom TV amount 1,000 into and now BD and also with me discard your go but mo padi butri me producer Kejwan and Kasani Erica City body when he came home on the 13th of September in Ireland from the forecourt of multimedia area nam Kroma Korea ATT saying so joining and so enjoy na BB and team Korea live and some FM walk with the stars. Empire Ebedra pa. Now, yentin si kwani mwenra European transfer window ya close BBR and one of the biggest ones Isaac moves to Liverpool. Now, that move from Newcastle now something which is there and in a single transfer window Liverpool are breaking bank him twice vets and then now Isaac. Yebekum Leshon on the show 6 years and I want some better number 9 jersey for Liverpool until later on the transfer who news kakra at the Badwam. Now you go straight to the camp of the Black Stars. Now Anra campaign Asha said in then how many players now touch it down and now hene ba emunchemu nyina no Evans Kwabena Sapon was there.
Said ye yedi kan abomamane no Black Stars eba be piem ha ebe ye won training na edi kan na players no makomaku dumienu ena na womo eka Black Stars technical team no ura did Otto Addo ene assistants Desmond Ofre ena John Pencil edi wonanimo no Fatal Delda ene won goalkeepers trainer na wom nyina eka ho bie eno ano de tell say players dumienu a won be piem agoprama iso no na abranti adidin edi Benjamin Asari Joseph Anan wom ni 2 goalkeepers na omo Accra Sports Stadium ha na outfield players no Jordan Pierre Ayew Antoine Semenyo Elisha Usu Kamadin Suleimana Ibrahim Suleimana and Ibrahim Osman Sanso and Gideon Mensah and Christopher Bonsuba Munyano na womo kan wa Jonas Ajete Susuno na okan bia training session no etodwa e Accra Sports Stadium no kwasem ne se emantia ne hyase no na physical works and womo ye omkobo abate rondo sunusu bia womo che omumu ebo 5 aside and goalkeepers training no so no fatal da de animu nyame ya adom a yawade de animi eno achi na wode wani ba be chiremu o makoko Ghana mu ha baabi a megyina yɛ Accra Sports Stadium ɛna wɔn ɛde wɔn match yi a ɛtɔ so mmienu no ɛbɛhyehyɛ so ɛde eti ɔman a wɔn din ɛde Mali nyame yɛ adom a duada ɛdi anim yi ɛno ɛyɛ ɛbɔbɔ so mi da ɛtɔ so wɔtwe wafi mpenu ne aduonu nnum yi.
Wow, so when on the Koso in the camp of the Black Stars, the say on the fourth in first game, Bebasu against Chad. Then on Monday, Ghana versus Mali, Woo and Kwankwa in Tier 1 Samaran and Gabere how Sa match in the BCA called Ghana leading Group I with 15 points. Into say it's me qualify for the World Cup and Mali will wrap it up. In fact, Chad will wrap it up near the Mali Aprapreche, the Horian Plan Mojari near there. If you Black Stars, you can police ladies or more. So ya ho se situation ko crash say o match o Asek Mimosa at the bepem so no aba so the semi-final of the Waffle Zone B Champions League. I say to me qualify for the Champions League and qualification about semi-final more born can they qualify for the final Menen Krabia and a betcha Lawrence Baidu and Ejdemu at Yamai will be my so
BPM final training session na players na available except baako mienu miensa bia omuntumi embo so far tournament ni mu omugusu jogging say omu be pick up omu full fitness you see Vasigi hwenim say girls ne ebetumi live up to expectation na sa performance na omu ball against Asco no they will up it a little bit na omutumi edi nkunim se na be ya ombetumi edu final of this competition.
I feel say the bia dana kwem sesia no we are gearing up for the semi-finals. For seeing say, as I can who ye, Senebeya, a bit Michafa, a sec for so. Na Bibia Akoya my Intia Honkakan, who Boban de Busu Papa, to 2 year pressure becomes was in because expectation from fans, no, any of mine, I was so. Intino, almost like home first time, no, a better almost.
Our players na fem no obia ahokeka ewo soro obia ahoboa aye ready. Everybody looks in a good shape and they are looking forward to sa big game against Asek Mimosa. Omonso omoye newcomers competition ni mu se na be ya ombetumi edu final na omotumi a challenge for title na ebema omo akọ CAF Champions League stage no. Bayelsa Queens omo free Nigeria and USFA omo free Burkina Faso omonso ebebo sa other semi-final game na winner from that game no eba be share winner from the game between Police Ladies and Asek Mimosa in the final September 5 na winner nso from that final game no ebetumi akọ represent West Africa Zone B CAF Women's Champions League no later this year. Medin
Lawrence Baidu wana watch Mudia Kosu in a camp of Police Ladies a video moche ni ahwese na match against Asek Mimosa na besi akora yanko straight na yenzumi in and transfer windows ni na close Ghana dey so close and the big deals with Brunei Bass likes of Brighter J other folk here deals Koroko deals Abdul Karim Farouk Mohammed Mo Nations Aminu Mohammed Mo Kopichim then back to House of Voka Yagbeshi making that move to House of Voka Mo Shaban now Mami Mo Kasa Kakra to say yes Mo is warming up for that game against Chad and Mali and watch they say yes, Ghana Black Stars are ready for action and the qualification to the national project. The Patrol Canada, Mexico, US, a national project. And the Otado can't slack a crowd in there. Yeah, banana pay about we can see so.
You have a Joseph.
Fantastic. Yes. You know, you're wrapping in up. Bibia, Koso, Ghana transfers. The minimum seven kitao. Oh, can in Bumua, how many lose here, how many win here? How? And a Ghana, it be a transfer near Cruci and a Sequoia.
Well, because a Ghana transfer window no over the years, I started gaining momentum. I made a topic of town. Obia can wine their coha and Mecca say one of the teams has all your surprise deals. Karela United or sign it Bless Ege from Golden Cake and then Evans Osewusu, former Premier League winner with FC Samatex, former Ghana under 20 players, Arsenal Chan team player, and the business not all. These two key players, no more sounds so they Azaria for draw from Mediama and the peso into Mediama dear Karela dear team no anodin. Now come Mediama Sporting Club so almost toss Salim Adams, not Salim Adams, so a former out of folk new ADBRC United midfielder. Now at a point, even before the transfer deadline, you know, be a linking to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Dylan Koye Mediama Tono, last day of the transfer window in Tiebemu Salim or Mediama Sporting Club. Usi Akan Kumasa Santi Kotoko last minute deal ɛna onya abrante ba kwa yefe no Walid Fuseni Walid abeka Lord Hilary Adabo goalkeeper Dari Aziz Haruna Zakaria Fuseni mo any Joseph Amwa Francis Akwa set Kujomo ewo Kumasa Asante Kotoko. This is the business akotoko Oko has camper. Very interesting deals are Phobians near Parku George Aba na Omokofa Henry Kweku Boateng and so by young chap I'll call Ashanti region I'm friend Mercy and Omofili say the impact with team no Ebekosro and key deals Abdul Karim formerly of Nations FC and Solomon Agbasi formerly of Dreams FC way more key deals are has it to me a year but yeah can jai 11 wonders so marketing almost about premier and na omakofa Daniel Lomote almost Lomote brani yejuma ye wabo wafa wabo young apostles wabo mediama who experience no fabeka a team no na yanko yenim ko and compete competitively since I am back in the league no no and Abranten so ajipene asanya momo on the last day of the year transfer we know and Hoho United and so I deals pa Michael Yeboah Solomon Adomako Michael Yeboah a former Olympics winger and Solomon Adomako a former Olympics centre back on also make a move a call not last minute no and I'm call Karela ko former striker Adamu Alasan and na omoto striker na musu jamu striker Eddie Man Nations Nations yenso yeja Farouk amamo Mumfa Farouk na money in ye juma next season because Farouk what goals now 32 goals in the last 2 seasons. Access Bank Division 1 League in the community. Take him and use him for what you want. International so it mean ya Farouk. I'll be see a kind at their moment. This is their big deal. Farouk from Zone 3. Last year, I'm going to find such a way from Zone 3. And I feel almost I'm going to Farouk from Zone 3. As a nations need Zone 3 in the year. I finding from Omope. Sad deals Nepal. So nations so I have some good deals. Ediana at top power to 18 players. 18 players on my turn. Notable names here. Remember Adoma Boateng. Now remember Nkejua or your Brantia now or Accra Lions or your right wing back. And I say right winger. Obit me about wing back and obit me so akunenim or no be see a kind Ejamon Bright AJ and so Abba Charles James Kamara and so Abba and Charles player bakwa. Our experience, but one of the goalkeepers are not be a shame Musanko, be move maybe a house and a kotoko or be Setro Gregory, but Idiana, it me a kotono and has midfielder, not a former captain Abdulaziz Nuruddin. Nidilno na a big surprise, but finally Abdulaziz Nuruddin finds himself in Doma, and so we are going to see the midfielder playing for a year Idiana FC in the coming season after signing a 2-year contract.
Right, Moshaban, thank you so much for wrapping up beautifully for us. Yeah, share how season is starting a bit to me. Now, to be my when is the Ghanaian Premier League bouncing back?
Ghana Premier League ever starting next week Friday, and that is 12th September. Week way a Democracy Cup. Now we'll be at the last friendly, the competitive game but next week Friday, countdown from Monday. Monday next week, Ghana Mali. Ghana Mali Bowie Pe our class sports them Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, King Kong na league na start. Kedwabwame Ghana born next week Monday we are. Tuesday countdown, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, na 12 September now son. Match day 1. It be a team back and ebe start the season. Na Saturday you send your game 13th. Na Sunday 14th you send your matches. Because Monday 15th, you best send a lot of games. It's a weekend here, fully packed.
Yes.
Next week from 12, 13, 14, 15th, and a league in the start.
Wow, thank you so much, Mo Shaban. Here, that's a part for your time this morning. I hope you're in due time. Wow, my man, Mo Shaban. Now, you're in Canon Live. Now, you and wrap off the course across Europe, the big movements. My man, Messiah Vas Kwabana Sapon joining me. Yes, Kwabana. Say no, Enra Yakatum. And there was a big show on Senpai FM. I had to share how the transfer window went.
Beyond the deadline.
Exactly. Any other transfers are costing that? Oh, cutting now, how would you describe the transfer window?
Right. I recommend catchers for now, this particular summer. Emma, I'm on the who say indeed as years goes in, come out in this idea, year in year out. I think I could say transfer of players no nyade a wo mbo no beba fam ne abachena still a ekosoro sa edi senka graph abo se ne start with down ho na eden ekosoro na ade ba ko say this particular summer ameba benya the world's third most highest expensive signing and as a transfer association football mo obeka in 2017 18 and as a 2016-17 that is where we saw a brand and Neymar da Silva dos Santos Jr. from Barcelona Copimo PSG with 222 million euros, and then in 2018-19 Yinya Mbappe also be PMO from Monaco to PSG, the same club, 180 million euros. Now with the movement of Alexander Isak. On deadline day, Ababe the third most expensive signing on the planet Earth in association football history. 150 million euros. Fixed fee in terms of pounds, 125. But what they say, Adom so only very able to become 130 million pounds, which is 150 million euros. Oh, Eriko, no, a brand Terenyako, Akwakofa, Firmino, the Jesse now, who's a brand to a young Jesse about 14. But Akwa Federico Chiesa and a share. There's Akwafa Firmino, Diano, and Liverpool said, oh, mono, Sika, and a woman. In football history, most of the time, American owners, so much me and manage caps, I'm for so many prepare, time spend it. But Fenway Sports Group are almost any owners of Liverpool, almost some narrative, and the Ukumwa, almost spending a crowd, almost spending close to 500 million euros, and so makes a pounds, and so transfer market team. In fact, 446 million pounds, and almost spend a year with Alexander Isak. Don't forget the second most highest transfer in Saka and so Europe in terms of the transfers. England 2. Don't forget after Isak, you have a branch here, the foreign bet 116 million pounds. Also, so Ediaba. So, checking here transfer window in England Premier League, in Isak 144 million euros, like I was saying, Urania, Ebewa Kwesi 150, or Florent Vets 125 million euros. Hugo Ekitike also Liverpool, our Premier League, one 3 players. Yes, Nick Votamada also so every Germany, Ababe Pimo, Newcastle, need 85 million euros, and then Benjamin Sesko 76.5 million euros. Then Brian Bumo Mutuaso. In all, England and Kwa Abomodi Abreki transfer record. Now in 2023, Yenya close to 2.6 billion, and so the cancer transfer market. Now, Yababinya 3.17 billion pounds in terms of say yes spending.
Now with what Arsenal spending here,
yes,
with what City here, with what Liverpool are here, one more big spenders. I mean, one more after more good business. That's
of course. In terms of selling and buying the Arsenal. Because we check on net now, Arsenal for the 8 million. In fact, in the Premier League, 1.28 billion in terms of say net spend year ton any year ton. The Arsenal for the winners. Close to 300 million. And so.
But is this bringing them the title? We know my year.
For now, if you look at some of the marquee signings, Mikel Arteta and Andre Beta, sporting director for Arsenal, Womaya bringing in Noni Madueke now. Piero Hincapi on the deadline day. Don't forget, they already have Christian Mosquera. They have these key players. With Victor Jokeres coming from Sporting CP, Makisa, and many believe say play about 52 matches, 54 goals there. He will be the solution for them. So Arsenal, they did a good business there in the market. In England, but Chelsea. And for only they also sold players out. But check a pecking order in the 20 Premier League clubs. Chelsea is somewhere around 13 in terms of the net spend. Arsenal for mum and the team did somewhere else in Europe. Check here, Germany, the highest loan fee in the football history. 15 million euros. The Abefa branch of Nico Jackson. Obeko Onko. Now this is one visa. And China before the line they already released by I say Brentford for na ye. Say coach na wa ba no amanachi ase say onyo na oni be ye adwuma. Obeso okọ be before. And Newcastle they were waiting after Baltimore that one player they were waiting say Sabeka a branch say one visa before the line they a branch so akwa primo outright or akwa body amomo. It is one of the signs to us you believe say ebe ya de ebe boa owu andidi Eddie Howe no trainer Eddie Newcastle no so bad. But I was talking about Nico Jackson. This is a player say also say Enzo Maresca entimi ni nya adwuma eriko obeso yeden oko omiti play mu kwa ekopie mu Munich na e ba sa Libala tenya ko e si de la papra against Fulham nti e so samba back afedi ubenya ye kan say owura reference Max Ebel on the sporting director de Bayern o si bema deal no kra calling off na Brandon say oh na e ba nse na obi a me my crowd o my ready say me body amamo no mo si there be na ni nyina mu no e be ko e maso but deadline day a Brandon agent 80 for so way out 13 million pounds in euros 15 million euros no
well
England Tottenham was
busy but Spain so Real Madrid dey kakra kopie mu Barca Rashford mo and keeper Bayern they in Italy so AC Milan and Napoli now more busy over the transfer window near there so we'll go into it this weekend near her or Arena so ye by time na buko I'm sure Yakomu ye pa Tottenham was also busy in England
now they have Randall Colomwani Javi Simons and Kudus so
and last minute for deals pop
of course
and Tottenham
and Eriko you this know and deadline day no kwano you close to 400 million pounds deals I bad deadline day across Europe.
Wow, Mami more big 1,000 Ghana cedis and Sana Mako live on Adom TV. Star 281 Adom TV. Yes, this is it. Yenumu. Ache obi 1,000. Yes. 54321. Why ne bayasu? 0546220 something 0546220 something. Yes. What discount? Abegu botum. Me catch that was say oh. Bag be me 1,000 and obi o ultimately 5 cedis obi o the 20 30 so there's another draw here babe it will be to me at time twa no wadi bi ya wa ya mpon bedwam ire betime twa no wadi bi maka chew say fiti jwo ko ye ma sorry corporate sports wie news na na boss sports ta Franco Training Enterprise can one pay na buy kijwa na kasa na Eric Asidu body we am insha apranto bra can see so ya fa pomode won sam sha wi a on sepe ba sister Sunday be a guy e dey to aso koso ha bedwam
enso me mo ache me mo akwa Badwam TV bedwam health tips eso aha na wotwemu ni nyina 5 minutes simanum ne edi nkomo ahwe apomode emu nsem ti yi topic ba po a ne akasa afa ho na wotwe mu Dr. Rachel Kusia Kosa say edi nkomo afa eye injuries betimi ato bia so de no born to fa e de emma ye no nti e hu komoni enu a wantimi nti e netie ne beboa wo pa fasedama endpoint so we are nko ade a yenkwaje apomode pa every endpoint homeopathic clinic ho na wabu so ho sisi ho so tissue infections how wadua yenko endpoint number 0244867068 pdf amankwa tamaklo dog me mo akwaba
Isa fia meje oso.
Na me na se pa o kwan ya wama se o kire yade. Nene ye pese ye hwe causes no ye eye injuries. Na nie ma hodo a etime causes a o hawo.
Isa fia can causes na a very big topic. Ni nyina na se eye injuries na bibia etime cause. Eye wadwuma mu na wo. Ye fe we foreign body. Isa fia foreign body ya de eto wani. Me kai se na me ye adwuma na well da bi baaye. Adwuma na wo ye no metal omotu katika sa metal so no iti da bia bi to nani na omodwuma sometimes okata nani say bia prevent ad na eba no etimi to eyelid no so etimi to ba bia one who say na me picture bi betre hwe wo bi nie one of the causes no one with the eye bibi na atu ahye nani na ye ka say obi ye welder e wo fie adwuma na wo ye no da bia no e wo so obo ho ban ni ade no ye tena na we bia si ese na emwa enti foreign body etime de ba ade a ehyew this afia the topic is so broad say a man pa ye wo kitchen ye aduane no this afia me ho bebre a obeka se aduane na wo ye no e na oil to she nani eno ye eno so bia obi kra de abae kobo student eno so de ba trauma eno so de ba this afia na say case am record o clinic pa na kan pesa me de kire ne no eye this afia glue we glue na kan obi ani
oh
one say a small boy
baby
me say that topic o kan na me there because me nim for whatever reason but nansen term no say glue pa ed nkofo enkwani ni di gu omoni no
say da ho no wakofa
surprising
wow
na wo hwe seletie na akraketekete no na che no at this point no so one hwe ni yi a ebe ha adwen pa me kai say last week ya the patient be by say am go so treat sefia ono de so koto glue no e na o de be so in pabo to ye say no wote toye e na dey na be gu akra nani And almost so that's not what I from buy no. Na aye very serious. Nyame ko na etimi po ya de bia ni no manti ye ka no bibia etimi ko so se wadwuma mu se fio ade a wo ye ebi kra mpo da wo boxing da bia den sabo wani ana ebi ko pa sporting se fia ni nyina ye niema se ye ni anko ye ho so a ebetima ha adwen pa
wow
yeah
ene pencil ye di agro ne nkra no nti we mu de em se nkra no penifo ka ho de ne nkra so ka ho wow nti ukinti ho amu na ya at risk
this afia media da bia me sha ase me ka nkra no de entian se per the research I've seen no se bi nkra na mu ni nyansa nti se bia panyin ni akra wo fie na nkra de wo kind pencil ne di agro ye de prayer panyin ani nko ho o nkra ne di agro ba one hwene sub objects ni ade na nkra bebre na ni timi nya edit them at their infant stage omo ye nkra no because of trauma ne sa injuries ni ade no and na face so mantie no from 17-18 years go you know especially aduma gidigidi omo taaye no ebi wo kra ogene hu akinye odwen say oga oh that was a time be a patient be ba say one obi nkofo bi pattern to kwa na okogigina mu so no omo oku okogja pata sefia obi to ne nsa menim de na ehye nipa ne nsam ti sefia oba sta na ni de ayen sem bebre enu nti ye ka no adwuma wo ye put you at rest ebi adwuma wo ye no wo the sharp objects bi wo ye welder bi wo ye sports teacher bi anase enkra ne mpo me ka bi a me se enkra ne because wo panyi de se bio se bibi ba mpo bi abedo na akra no e wo se ye hwe yeah
my number ne wada uma
better say 0244982821 0244982821 that's it.
So said your community be ben wo pa ba wadwen koso ye hwe ehu yi acheche for fam e wo so obi a tumi ye e de boa na pencil ne pen de enche ekurokura wo ma edi agora ene ba ku bi o moto no tie binum ne ade no ye beto aso nyame ya adom ochina kan ye ho na ye to aso aseda ye endpoint homeopathic clinic na daroma ene fia mankwa tamaklo maba Frederick Opticals ene Dr. Rachel kusi akose di nkomo 5 minutes unze yanje ochina brekro no anu asa kan ye ho ne ato aso edase Medase yamwa kwa baby Adom TV Badwam dwumade yi eso medase pa umre no wadaje awodi amaya health no so utu wana mo wani de bo ho ban na esaya ye de foforo krasha wunhuna de yi sede etie no ti hye so efa emaye na washa no so say endpoint homeopathic clinic one mother roma and yetumi ede health tips no bro joda de kosi fiada 5 minutes ye nche sebe ya obenya ho aye wunyuma hodo a wopese ya na wo free fie ana wo share live on Facebook on so eboa nti make say September ye prostate awareness month nti misro emema ni nyina nko endpoint na wonko check one prostate na scan ni e free wo lab de obetua aha nti se wo koye scan no prostate scan ne de endpoints wo nyu sika nti free number no 0244 867068 0244867068 dog jina ho sisi na wone na di nkomo na fe wakwa yaresabia ho aha ya wo election headquarters kokromoti power said you wonim dada no strong entuni of nkotie bibi gidigidi bi ebe hawa no kura bi animu enti ya ye krado ye be ko akwatia abato mpesua no eso CJ wo ho ene kwasia zo ene other team members wo ho a won ma ye krado enti yebekọ ho na yede abansa na no e wo se yedi apomoden ehu enkomo ewie na fe yetimi atwa so shanon so City Montessori ai wo pe school pado ba akwa awofo ne abatan kra na fiase every school Mr. Ofanako City Montessori na wo mo emua akra no ne nwumasua na school no just say eya ma ebroso se me kan say ya wo mo ashote for ho robotics for ho STEM ewo mu ICT music lab ni school bus and so ka ho ebie ye oboard no ho enti bebia wonam bia bebia wo bia bebia wuti bia no obetimi de oba no akọ City Montessori na fe yetimi aboa na kire na de ma bibia akọ CCTV cameras and so ewo ho enti oba no bambo mu bibia no intact hwehwe City Montessori school no ewo Castle Bom Road Eben Lamte Mills so admission e kosu tifa number 0249 282529 0249 282529 City Montessori Building Global Citizens enti no ena Benada Faith Homeopathic Clinic aba eba boye ne ne yedi nkomo e wa pomudi montuni of yenche said be ya abato no ho nsam ni nyina no ye wie pe ye ginamu den ya ye de ebrewo Shadowson reporters no ho a ye de ho report ni nyina beba sa brede abo no nsu ebie kwan ya abato no e hyase menko doctor Boate ho Dogmu akwabe.
Yeah, no, yes.
We are boko there.
Nyame eno
Faith Homeopathic Clinic.
Yes.
Eho boko.
Nyame Adom
Na so pani so hoye.
So for my ho ye pa prophetess.
Ne
ho ye
pa.
Oso chia.
Ejene so do.
Oso chia.
Ejene so. Adom ma yintie we.
Stefia mamenchi ahwefo a ehwe Adom TV ene anopa nyina na sede Ghana fo nyina enim dada no Faith Homeopathic Clinic. Nyame Adom de bia ye ba ye ka se adanse ene edimpa nkrofo ebo Faith no eno na akura yimu ebesi ne Faith ebae ya chekakra na ohwe stilla oba yasoye branches ni nyina nkrofo a eba begya yarehwe ene eho adanse omode ba emu abasobode ya nkrofo ede eboye ni nyina edi adanse se oyare nkwa na utu anamomba Faith Homeopathic Clinic a ya kashi nyame enumunyam se de nkrofo edi ho adanse nkrofo enya ayarehwe no oso ba oso benya saa ayarehwe no na yehwe last week woman bi bedi adanse bi na ato nia one of your sister station omo TV presenter ba ko ba ye honomo na oba ye na ye de no efa ye system no na ye man ndo o say for a very long time untumi enna continuous 2 hours that.
Wow.
And oda within be 1 hour abunsi na niate obeda wa ansana watumi adabiem and within short time obunsi na niate na all kana ne presenter ba konso won nche na o say enti eno so eyo how na o say kamebonde o say eyo how pa eyo how because me call Faith Homeopathic Clinic matumi ada continuous 4 hours ya mani ante me ba small boy and nyane me said that nka me ye late kura we djuma and sanya mani nyina no eye ade a se oba Faith Homeopathic Clinic because of the holistic approach to your condition. Sometimes bibi wa femu a you will take it as a normal, especially modwuma amuye Stevia on say o sorry ntem wo na ebi wo kra ko fia wo na ntem enti no wo fi say enana wo na normal but enna no betumi de complications bi abrewa wan hwe ya wa dwen koso say enna no ana de bro woman bi oba e honum na o say owo pressure hypertension na o say what does do so for so long na still a obehwe ne pressure no na e was true na see no problem o de yenhwe ni nipadua no because it's not only the pressure no na yenhwe holistically o nipadua no de ekoso o nipadua no and this if you with homeopathy no o buy honum a last 2 weeks na make baby say we concentrate more on your immune system which is the vital force nipadua na kwa no kwamo ewu mu a etumi bua ma nipadua no kenya no ho san ya rebia no sometimes oba eno ne ade a yehwe so nipa ne ba ya woman ne ba ya diagnose ni ehu some malfunctions bi a wo nipadua m ye man edro ye de ne famfidi detoxify ne ye 2 weeks time oba ya ye checking the pressure also for the long time wa wo hu say the pressure na tumi aba 130/80 because always you know pressure na soro de no e wo 2 something ase de no 1 something ono maduro nso no na enye ito na eno cry pressure no cry na enye no oba was it for a long time ontumi na ase de oba e honum wada saade ne da which means insomnia na say enna ye na no emma ye so many complications obi wo a okọ conditions bim na ebia onu munno by condition no still no kwa na ekosoro ebia ye saa nyema nkitinkiti ya ye ka ho asem enna ebia untumi nya enna yie ebia wadidie mu sede wadidie nkoyie ni nyina ka ho na e contribute to saa o condition na ekono na yehwe insomnia ya enna ye na istefia one etumi the complication bi but say hypertension ye ka ho asem because enda no o da no e was a time I was a woda no e manipadua ni nyina no e rest nipadua no rest here na I go back to its factory resetting said ye beya nipadua na rejuvenate no ho na atumi aye adwuma said ye was no but enwumre na was adwen no ho ho me kakra na ye no bo sa adwen na ye adwuma more because untumi na o dwene more then it will signal your heart and say was say man more blood into bones akoma no be force say pompi moja dodo so there will be pressure exerted in your blood vessels into bones na pressure no kosoro it is sometimes we be hospital bones say be pressure yes to me that because and now one of the key thing say want to me ana e betumi ama pressure akosoro ana ebiemu nso ebetumi kra ama sugar level akosoro because na no ema nipadua no ye fra bibi glycogen and liver nestor eyi more ebasa stress eba tinipadua no yi more glycogen ekọ o blood nim ema o sugar level no etumi ekosoro afei untumi na etumi ekofa mental and psychological issues but obitumi and na obitumi 19 no obitumi nam no or kasa na wenya problem with the na adwen no emu untumi na etumi kofa so many even oyefunu no kra no etumi the problem etumi the bro so insomnia one of the thing say want to me and na etumi kofa so many medical complications etumi the bro etumi the obesity nipa no tumi ye kese moroso and yenum se kese moroso so tumi kofa yare wa bebre the brain nipadua no etini enna ya ade a ehu hia nipadua no ye enu ti na faith homeopathic clinic ye to yensa fro say uyi obi a for so long untumi na ebia wada 2 hours no wani ate bomodia se obeba faith homeopathic clinic men kototo ebia sleeping tablet bi anase aduro bi na enom ubon se aduro ni ye aduma wie pe afei na ena no asan ateko meaning say the cause of the insomnia no you have not identify it enu nti na onum aduro na aduro ni ye aduma wie a na ena no ensan emabiem no bomodia se obetu anamo aba faith homeopathic clinic because and now want to me now there are so many causes obi dey say dem kind stress ebia anxiety depression any ade ana ama want to me na oba faith ya ye wo nkrofo wa na doctor for wa ebetumi ama wafutu ahodo a ebeboa ama saa nyema ni nyina na akofom ama enana atumi aba afi obi wo okra medical condition yare bia banipadua ni mu a eno nso cause ema wontumi enda obi wo okra drug bi ana aduro bi a woda so a wonom eno kra nso ebetumi ede enano a wontumi nano atumi ede aba eno ti na faith yes so say yare biara aba nipadua ni mu no o de tu anamon bra se de da ye ka no oba ye ho no mu a ye holistic approach to your condition ye mami oba ye na ye ne pressure ni ntina na oba but no onim se enana na wontumi na no nso ye one of the contributing factor e ma ne pressure no da bia na kosoro na ni nyina mu no oba na ye de wo fa afidie mu ye detoxify afi ye stimulate wo nerves ye ma wo nu ebebo ma hormones so wo se induce sleep ana se hormones so wo se eboa e ma wo nerves relax na ema enane ba no ye wo sa wie pe wankasa wo de adanse no beba se de afoforo nso edi ho adanse no se enye enna enkwa na how ebia yare bia aba wo nipadua no wo chronic migraine uti no edwa pa wo ye ho hwea enye ya faith se fatu anamon bra wo chronic ulcer wo ye furu no mo wanu mu no for a very long time enso na aduane to ma na emu ni hyehyew faith se bomodia no tu anamon fabra wo arthritis dompemu yare de bia na usisi ana ukotodwe no emu ye wo ya emu ne hyehyew obi wa ne kotodwe ne ba kokra ho no chen ba ko faith se fabra ya so ye ho na yenye holistic approach to your condition yenhwe at the cropot ya aba nipadua ni mu a ede saa ohaw no eba obi a owo problem with the eye wo hwa ade a wo hu ne yie wani so no eye okusu wo hwa ade a afei na wani so no hyehyew faith se bomodia se obetu ho anamon se utu anamon kwa de banko ada ye kashe nyame anumonyam se de enkrofo di ho adanse a enne obo faith hu dawuro no oso no obenya adansedie ni nyina ne se obetu gidie anamon na waba yaso ye biara ebewo Ghana hanomo ye wo branches ewo baabi bebre oba Accra hanomo a ye wo so tuom eye Antieku junction ana Abuya junction ofi Santa Maria eko so tumu a ode wusi wo Abuya junction a obo se faith homeopathic clinic ye signboard esi junction so a ema direction to the clinic ana se odu Kumase so a ahenema kokobin 18 mu hodomo a obo hu se faith homeopathic clinic ye signboard si wa eno so ema direction to the clinic Kofori dianso udu Poly Junction Landry Managers Road a ɛhɔ nso no Faith Homeopathic Clinic ye signboard siwa mouth direction to the clinic Bogoso udru Old Asida and now station hono ma abronsane wo station lorry station echi hono mo na ubon se Faith Homeopathic Clinic ye behind the story building no and now se udru Takrade nso a Western region fo nyina udru Anaje police station wa ye wo adjacent the police station Fair Junction on your right. Ubon se Faith Homeopathic Clinic. Your signboard is siwa Emma direction to the clinic. Me pacho fa number ya ye di to join. But more di answer obe freyen. Na ya re biara abedi tintima woni pedua ni mu no. O de fetu anamon bra. Oba ye behwe ni nyina na ye hu yare no pumasibre na ya ma homeopathy nura eni sunsanso boni bia ebeboa ama ni pedua na ankasa enya na ho oden. Number no eye 0540 710 940 0540 710 940 and now says 0547 57 84 94 0547 57 84 94 winning number Faith Homeopathic Clinic edidi djuma but mo dey answer betu anamo na wabeje wa yahwe
That say Dr. Boateng wo Faith Homeopathic Clinic na etin kan numbers na wo screen na se no de che wo dwin bia wo frɛ wo ma ombeje so higher election headquarters kokomoti power ntino ye ba be kwa Akwatia na fe ya kwa akɔhwɛ na ye ne CJ edi enkomo ahwɛ de ekoso nti mame nkomra na ye ba ye beto so
Adom TV. This is your election headquarters. Kokromoti Power. Yedi kaka chiro dada se ene ena Akwatia by election no yedi ehye so. Eti free sabre kopem se the returning officer ebeka se esimesi ana so benten ena edi enkonim no. Your election headquarters Kokromoti Power. Adom TV, Adom FM, Asempa FM, Inshra 104.5 FM Bookmaster for all our social media handles in national. Benya bia live edi free ahanum esas ha ena ensempa no ewomedin de akwesi inse chabujafo betra se yere komo ebe hye so kwa choose babra no ba be mai the historical electoral history of Akwatia efrim na hye ase to aba ewo yeman emu se na Akwatia election akọ edi afa efri bre bebe see the last election ye 2024 Akwatia election abaton sunsanso se na akwa wie se no kase ya na osun abapa osima adwenu enkron 29 minutes after 7 year voting start ewo Akwatia tukwa so hwe yes on your screens amanfo start to omo aba ye hwe no se nipa bese 50,000 plus na betimi ato aba ewo this election year ekos be 119 polling stations and abaton ekoso I think so far say me kind year perhaps be two candidates na ginem the NPP and NDC and ejina sa akokese mpa wo pre wonti ewo nipa ye be yi no amana be di Ernest Kumi ade ewo Akwatia sebeka na kofa abato nyina ede abai se nano ye twem na briche kese bo man Ghana bo Akwatia man the sound Ghana constitution ahye ato se ba ne sa o se de to commission no enya sote na otu anamo se na be betim de abato ahye so na dime yi bofro and na ba hye anamo ede amanipa ofirimu awasa abato empeso so bi na abato amanfo wo Akwatia te na ka obi amede sa ba election ehye so hwe Akwatia ko na kasa emu nyina ayekura kuayo and afa mining edimu akotene ye pa etine say as part of your discussion ye be hwe say over the years amanyokwa odrom yenu a since 1992 abenya akonya ewo my Ghana banya kase so no watim di empunto pa akọ Akwatia awose be kwakodi honom so enkobo na ase na betimi ahwe sani abato betimi akọ edefa already say global info analytics for the carbon temperature so be say 53% vote ni be kwodi ama NDC one candidate na wo ginemu ewo this by election emudiaka ekwodi ama NPP amyuku enipan sare be ko akoya na the last election year yekoye 2024 edienom NPP candidate ye NSC Akumi LED with about 2,000 vote difference. This time no wotie ne info analytics for ekana there's going to be a bit swing akra about 42% of woman for to aba erema NPP MP NS Yakumi in 2024 elections no they say they are voting for the NDC candidate. About 42% of those votes NS Yakumi which is more than the 2,000 votes no nya or the Eddie Yakumi in 2024 no. Global Info Analytics say almost more two ba ediama the NDC candidate no. Eje kwa hwe se ne honum so no esimi eche kwa aman so na ye ne aman bofo so akotwe ko no timi atwefo ne akire se na Akwatia na kasa etie election ya sha se ehwe nim se nipa dodo betimi aba abeto abadodo pa as compared to the previous by elections ayenya unso ma we na kasa mu de eba by elections amanfo nhye da ento aba it most of a voter turnout to do aba from nyina no virtually by election see ato aba awie na bibinti yes ebo akira kwato aba no ebiem no ya na nipa dodo apie kwato aba no ebetimi aba from but this time the same Global Info Analytics catch the same voter turnout for Akwatia by election no ebe kosoro ache most of by elections ayenya ewo man ewemu yes so kasa say tese from any amanfo Akwatia so akodi enkomo ebi so ache se ampa o ene obepan se ene abato ebaso no wodo ho ebehemu ete bikwa kwhwe ne nyina se ampa se amanfo ne so mo eka no so wodo ose ebetimi aye oyo anam se ne enka ne abato kese eduro no ye kwa abato so a efira omache besa no me sa bekọ na amanfo de buo enkonya tables na esa line no sa na esi ya na se ensi sa empo ya we a voting astati amanfo delay mu gidigidi ye kwakoto aba ewo Akwatia anam echebe koso ya manbofo kwesi azo owo Maxwell Kureko Chief Jerry Forson eso award mu a yero nyina be kwakodi ekubo etuhwe the polling centers ne dia your election headquarters kokromoti power ye be bienu a ye ne reporter be bienu a ye ne reporter be bia beto from bia no ye be bro live award so follow us live on Facebook Adom TV and Adom TV Extra Oko Adom TV and I say Adom TV Extra. Ubenya timi ahwe ehonum. Ja comment oho. Share emo bia nso etimi nya bi enhwe. Na ma comment no so no eho etimi enti yepa efa emayem. Sanso na share mobile phone so enya bi enhwe. Tuba na be hunu streaming na no wa share. Also on YouTube so eye Adom TV. YouTube eye Adom TV. And so unya isa na wa click button no na wasimi subscribe na wa share link no enso amobi etimi ahwebi ya bekọ amaso na ye ne amane bofo akwakodi enkobo na ya remember one our say good morning
sir
Maxwell Kudako amane boni wo epoye mantem yakọ Maxwell ifa na ojina no pai
was there am watching wenchi Mefi the background police station or the background. Say the next police station when Chikroni mo so now we do main information center no. Akona ko yesha tie no wo achimwanchi the background no we do ho na fe na electoral commission party agents no ehhehhe niema make to ra titles global no polling agent edema NPP ewo achimwanchi the background so sanso na mkoshia NDC National Organizer, Mr. Joseph Yamin, and our Deputy Director in charge of operations, so Presidency, Ra Mustafa Bandi, no Muna, almost more monitoring. No, didn't come up a cry. Now, when she the background saw there, a ball, a Mra, about to say 705 on an Nipa, Akupena Trinity or Wabatuaba, Etilo, a Hono Ushemua, Nipa. Na ye be opposed no ma ba mbe toba na say nipa ba ko pene wo mu a ebeka say afene bi adipa fifia ba see a police station ya me we AMB me benku ni bi fa so no wo say enipa enheda NQ mu me ju hana na ifa so de no police station A no ho no nipa bi enum na wo say o mu na ma to ewie me benku so no to say the nipa mi enu pe na exact mu a to aba ekroma fo no edikan aka say osifo dodo na ewo kronim no ebi fo say eye ebi so fo say ebo eti no am say party pay for no so na ma omo shaman full price say omo pimbra na omo mra ememeto aba see a me no ka say baby a megyina no barricades I ɛwɔ ha ɛdɔɔso na deɛ tie nie baby a police station wɔ a ɛnyɛ main road no posifoɔ ɛma ho kwan ɛma wokita moto a wobɛtumi de aba police station hɔ ɛti no mehu the background so say mehu sɛ posifoɔ no asan mmeranteɛ bebree na ɔmo kita motor bicycle a ɔmo de ɛba polling center hɔ woni accreditation anaasɛ woni dwumadie bi nso ɛwɔ polling center hɔ a ɛnyɛ ade a posifoɔ ɛbɛma kwan ama wɔwura polling center hɔ nti wei ne bambɔ nhyehyɛeɛ a ɛwura polling center hɔ no mehu sɛ ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna afei nso koraa no patrolfoɔ ɛnso ɛnam kwan sisi a mene wo ka sɛ yi baabi a megyina no mahyia ndc former regional chairman owura tewi aboate a ɔno nso yɛ monitor yɛmbuta no ɛtiatie mu aprɔbɔ a wakɔ yi aha deɛ yɛnhyɛ dɛ ho nipa a ɔmugyina line mu ɛto aba wofi sɛ voter turnout no ɛba fam ɛba soro ɛyɛ tu ɛdisi a bɛka sɛ voter turnout no ɛyɛ low anaa wode abato akyi akyɛ Adom TV Adom afɛs
yo chia wa tie for you ma mo ni yo so when him say by election be area because of the presidential encounter ya na turn out no en massa but I am just 731 man for bana farm area to go see me pa former ba go see me for ti en ko pem by 5 o'clock no say we mu say man for ba ja man for ta cheba and na security no so be tight so dey be see that no ama minimum so before we begin but they try to encourage them the problem behind it topama bibiama which you are continuing to be successful. In fact, the security is very tight. It's a they are quite near you when here because somebody be no but to about have no attention no high the security no wa na boa ti ama jumadi no be successful then open by 5 o'clock. And we say 10 out to be okay.
Yes, here and right, and this is for member sign peace part, you know, 24 now. You see, at the same much me sign. A dear receiver, I can't hear a Bachagana Fugina, your boss will be on the rule. Your best for yourself, Akwatia, a exceptional case in by elections.
Oh, not necessary to be signed a peace power, no, whatever, say all the best, and I sign. The only one is a bit to me, I'm asking you that will not conform. Because the bit to me that got to paper. I'm here in us and sign. And so then you be a bit will be some pay. In the idea, woman say, I sign you. It's never talk about the baby and Akwatia. I was some dream.
When she and pay, and this is 24 years out of an hour. I hire baby when you were banner.
Oh, when she a baby, I had 2 about one and say, I have attention or intimidation, especially in the NDC. I bet number 1, 3 weeks to 1 month. I know on a coba, with you on in some money. When was there, yeah, baby? I say, only the fear and panic, I should know. So we end this year. But near to one, I say, because now the MPP parliamentary candidate or MP no fear, I NS committee. The now you want to say, fear in Tino, be a ball, Nipa Hombine. But now you too much. But you see, I'm no Casarania, a man just here, Juma say, be our freedom, so better Mama. Freedom of speech, freedom of work, freedom of whatever. We are eco-free, bar, intimidation, anybody. Especially their background. We share the all MPP gurus in one. I'm no Kase, all on BBA in on their background. You know, we know, Medina, MPP, Edimua, Robert, is the one in the field. Oh no, okay, be the same. Presby JHS. A whole not tension or maybe about 2 about them. Okay, but it is early. War can no so no problem. But you are Bama Yahun say, BBA could be an union police for Bambo for Bebe, Amasun Biaba. Emma Obiara, fair and panic mobium, Betty Mamobian swap to number by 5 o'clock. You may declare results in this arena.
Well, I tell you about former NDC Eastern Regional Chairman. And then you are observer on also a bond to our head, Yakosona, EBP is for her. Yen didn't come away. But he said, I may know, say, my home posted for Mutu, bear me and son about a trip. You're not really no posted for apart from say, Uko polling station, or more Dodo no Ewaha, or Mobile Bino, Crony Monsono, Patrol, and Amswa. almost himself, Obia, MBD subsebe, as to trust him and I say, Yamasem. So far, the obey me, I can say so good. Maybe I have one Franco Biano. As we be our hand say, Obia Nam, or Nadia, Obi and Chich, Obia Farm, who did this. So maybe I call any baby do a home for me and I make trap. And I chair for National Fall.
Enkomo eti Maxwell Kudeko yamane boni so enam Akwatia by election asi ba nika ka cho se baby bia ye to abane bia no ye reporter or me fa ni ekire kosi ewo na Chief Jerry Forson ewo na yakohwe ne ekoso enso ewo ekusi amanfo wo honum ahase epie aba beto aba ana so no so se na esimi etiem eti Chief Jerry Forson se wa ye krado a twa efoni efa kire ye from kosi se na ehonum so de no etie
kwasi mamema ahwefo nyina akwa aba se ne nyina anim no ne na abato by election Akwatia by election no ahya ase me no ka sei me wo achim kusi funeral grounds polling station a ewa ha aha ane ehwe anim sa nipa be ye 426 ebeto aba anapa no nso bo ye pepepepepe na abato no ehya ase ye ka sei de nipa no mgusu ya omoba ankakra napa ne de na santene no ewa kakra but womo a womo di kamba ne tuwie ye no hanom adwo kakra ehwe anim so manfo dodo no a na ebeba bible mu nsem so de se me ka se wa wohwe ni na wohwe approach for se me ha mani nka be between 15 to 20 na polling station ha nko a wonom ewa okọ other polling stations ayakọ nyina no a approach for no ewa ha empanifo wa ha wo mato aba no awie ebi wa ha no a meni onom betwetwe enkomo na fe yahwe se ni ana process no etie opani Adom TV so ne yamache
Major so many.
Udin.
You didn't demand than so ampofo.
Okay. What wa berry?
But I am at
okay, process no na it is saying.
Oh, smooth. So far, any issues we are. I think so. Be a vote here. Any problem be our hasi. Say to us to say I'm sure say be a peaceful election.
Okay, but Oshe senior Adom no air bank akranka na ehwe nim senipa 426 and a beto aba e polling station ha. So far Oshe turn out and saying.
So far there, I'm say eguso, but urban for now there.
Early days on.
Early days yet. Yeah. Mostly from 2 going amount for trooping eba. Until early days yet. And the fear. In fact, we have some challenges with here is a higher settlement and go force through police kaka. In fact, bambo won some here but obi wo ha hu and you call around so be crossing man eba. MP because someone himself basa eba.
So man for no feel say kroma ye hu do police for na doso.
No kwe sa na man for be na adwen yom. Ti e be catch motive for say so man for hwa. Police for no ba some boy ho ban. Omo feel free no mo no meto aba no.
Okay. Openi me do wase papa. All right. Me ma mi nso ha no nso so ato na ba wi. Eno be me kakra ye ne eno nso so entwehwe nkomo. Eno Adom TV so ne yamo achen.
Ya Joso.
Ba cho wudin.
Me de obeku amponsa.
Okay. Obeku wadaroma watu abawie.
Pacho an.
Na process na ti saying.
Ekoyie pa edafom boko boni bie nim.
Na minu aba man ka say approach fo no dodo no ase abo manfo hu kakra. Besa na wo so hu no.
Mo mu nsuro kura approach ni unya ne hwe obe ye obibi onya obibia. Etu omo meto aba no obi anya obi abibia.
Okay. Eno meda wase papa me papa nso so wa ha mene no ebetwetwe enkomo na afei ne ewo bia no ye de atoa so e de ama eja Adom TV so ni ye mo achen
ye nua
bacho wudin
Felix Apel Jamra.
Okay. Wa Felix haya na oto aba won
aha na metoma aba
wato awie
mato awie
na process ne te sen
oh senior me nua no di kankan ye no em say anope die kakra na ya salai no ngato awie efiri awie ekono na nipa dodo no ebeba nemum sene ye ka no enipa no force police for na aba no so on suru nanso ye ka kire on se enyehu ebi se won ye yidie ene ye bambo nti ene on bae sene ya emfa o ha obi e ma nti ye srese obi a obete ye nka na ohwe Adom TV no ompi mra na ometo aba no na police for no ye yidie ne ye bambo nti ene on bae on nye ye hwe
na me nso so madwene ye me se bia wona obekire mamma me dodo no a bia wo mo kwafuom enu nti na se na wo che firi be no mienu ho no ekono ena won ba beto aba no enye sanity
ene kusi krom ha benada yen kwafuom
okay
ye kodwa onko edwa wo kede ente dodo na be kodwa na ongaba omba beto ongaba obi ohon so a na otena sia se ne Ghanafo suban sitie no
na last minute
ansa na waba abeto na ba ente ni nyina ye bompa ye se nipa no benya kuma papa na ode pie aba beto aba eye oman adwuma na ye eye oman adwuma na ye ente ese obi ade kuma pa na oba na obeto aba kire na adwene na ye de oman ko nanim.
All right. Well, Felix, me do was papa. Enti, kwasi se me de nkomo nyina ba na we dia so far. Meka se bibia e de na kwan so e wa hanoma ye free kusi funeral grounds polling station ha na afi ye de ani a kire ba bi foforo. Aha ya election headquarters Kokromoti power. Ya ba ne de na ya ba ne ekoso e wa Akwatia ba election mu nyina no ye de ho amane ye de bebrel.
So the other free ye kusi ebre ye eno no. CJ Berasi ye besa ba honum ebiem so on your screen ye baby a ye to aba ewo kusi wo Akwatia by election ya ekoso emo. Akwasi Ajmara tena editor for Adom special desk. Sanso ena Dr. Tutu Boahe. Enso ye political marketer. Ochira the University of Education Winneba ono so I mean perfume kwa akotwe ekwaruachi kwa kuchum so abekensa no so take you through Akwatia constituency no sena ehonum esimi etiem Akwatia honum omoto aba ehemfa neta ekọ ede efa se omoto aba ya na manfo no efa ne say what has been some of the basis amanfo wa Akwatia ejina so ede to aba this time no dia na ehwe mi so betime ejina so ede ato aba because all campaign style koso nyina na ba kwa for sympathy ba so kwa say ye ne aban wo power ye betime ma development kwesi ama cha no pay
ye nua
boko de
yankopado
kwesi ajiba oye too much
enka
awasi Akwatia
yes very interesting okay and now about to no 50-50 yeah a bit my ko baby if you say okay Omato aba emprenkono from 92 to 2024 NDC edinkunim emu enum and MPP edinkunim emu enine good
the NDC ahead of NPP
if you say 1992 MPP for boycott anko okay and so ye no free media ka ye 99
okay
and a margin no so na biribia no de obedinkunim no enya no emru 2000 I just say amase
okay
2016 and I ordered 5,023 votes. Apart from that,
that was 2020.
Yes, 2020. Yeah. Yes, I must say. Apart from I must say, if 96, if 2000, there be a difference in the
okay.
And you know, a ban of culture and a by elections, so no. And not 10 I can work for.
Okay.
On say when you vote CJ ni voters ni bi kasa so mu ko dwa wo kede ni ade ebiri so etubata obi wo nkra ha obi wo Kumasi o takura di kuro kesi obi kura kwa manone ente ko ban sa motivation say so be fit baby o wa chichira faka ba beto aba no akọ unlike main election presidential and parliamentary but this one ente sa ente no typical of a by election I'm expecting the highest will be 55%. That is what I'm saying. You know, when I candidate in Swa, Ubia Emada.
Okay.
Assume book Mada. And baby, also Mada. And you know, a Koban sa on my horn. Okay.
So is it going to be said now? On one horn in the party na omo ejina omo franka so no.
Yes.
That is where their strength no ebe free diaba. In terms of their vote.
Yes, because Osha NDC candidate no or advantage kakra. Incumbency.
Okay.
But I don't say no no automatic win.
Okay.
If you say the party wa bem.
Yeah.
Ne papa ne ti akonya so. Enti no betumi de no kura gina so a campaign. Okay. About 1 year 2 nyina so impuntu nyumenti na eto aba.
Sure.
Na say impintu nyumti na eto abade a ene nia oyine bande ne papa te ase
okay
campaign na NDC for ye wo no enti say motoma me a ene de esidu general mosquito mu nyina koguo oma yo mu campaign however ena won so no wo hwe voter population a mining community ena ni padodo indigenous na kasa omo ye achemfo na omo ti Akwatia no omo Akwatia no omo no so ensin awo na ba no
okay ja omo de do so chain kromafo na kasa
because of mining no
okay
enti no bohu say 119 polling stations 21 electoral areas no na mko to aba no baby mine NDC tedi nkunim e wo baby mining areas no ebi say ho no settlers
okay
ene eti ho enti no wo hwe dynamics na so complex and easy complex kakra enti no NDC incumbency because MPP wa konya so
fachem se na me call na me ne Afredamo enkodi enkomo te se Afredamo ya mane boni ya no so ewo Akwatia by election coverage ase Alfred, good morning.
Na you go with you.
Na ifa no wakodri
yo to see am no ka say me wo takwase na takwase no if here as your kokusi but then the person said the cost ewo hanja no pay you see ya nanti mu akọ centers ahudu ndi akwa akọ said the security no etie na takwase aye ka ho asem na ho na NDC candidate no lawyer Bernard Bedi akọ ahanu free enti ufa kromu ante won se nkofo agbo project omu dina wa dina nkomo omu di by election nkomo na omu edi na centers ma ko ewo takwase ha no ye tintin movie ya ko bi mu akọ na ye ko ye no abato no nya sha ase de na so no ase tom no enhyeda emba bebre da odo nimba ni bia ase a woni eto ye di kan akọ Methodist Church polling station akwa gina ho akwa observe de ekoso nyina eho no eho de kra na ye sha ase ye bo 7 and in fact omu share abato na ase nanso ase dom no a ebepu aba beto aba ne de enti sa ase the main election duru ho no obebe se nkofo ato santene ebi kra de boba kra fine line ho nkon ba no enti sa do abato na ekoso sanso na yakọ Takrase mosque ho so center ba ko ho no awon sa abato ekoso sa o he animpa around pa but then omu se obi mu di line mu to de nimpa no ba mako obeturia na woko obeturia na woko na yefiri ho so no asaba Takrase the background oba han mu so a abato no gusu a ekoso eno so as usual nimpa no ba mako omo ba obeturia na omo kopi omo beto na omo kwata eko na ada centers ewo ahani bi to the medical kan Takrase SD Takrase SDHS ehokwa na MP no to na baba do nyamai na Methodist primary so baby abato no bi koso ho Methodist church ho yedi kan akọ abato no koso sanso na Takrase youth council so abato no bi be koso sanso na Takrase primary Takrase Roman na Abu School Preparatory School Takrase mosque na Takrase the background that you didn't have to stay here abato no koso na zia unantimu a unsa bamba IGP ka se obegbo ma abato no aya asomdwe na no pay mi aya hodo aya ko nyina de unse free even baby a ene Akwatia constituency bohye ye be nyina no poti for okwan mu fita na dwuno aya ba ni nyina ba bidu harmo na oba centers no so a men kan ye kura be police or the station ba ku bia aye ye kura mitimi kan apoti for you have 18 to say 20 and about each polling station, but then me how do I put in idea? We say I put for 18 or more. Me who say will be a yiki so I was sent to be a university as about to know a ask me a good air cost. And you because I asked them now said yes, the pioneer platform our by election we more. Yabama a chief for a Adom TV, Adom FM, actually, no, ebetie me be understand yakọ but about to ekoso domin mu na tese enhye dem ma bebre tese de main election mu ekono no ba ni nyina mu no ekoso a tese asomdwe su mu a ehu se bibia nsi bibia ekoso kama wa se
okay eti yan hwe ukopie mu Takrase no uhwe ho no mabambo no etese a police for honum no ebokromafo ehu and say okay for them
yo Takrase ha say ni de no kure ni wo mu aye no ma di nkomo de obi anka sɛ ebia pambɔfo no dɔɔso nti wosuro na ɔma ameto aba ɔna obi anka sɛ but before aye bedu yɛta class ha no yɛkɔ wenchi hɔ ɛna MP a na ɔte so asese wanya ne nyame frɛ nti ama ba election ɛkɔ so no ɛhɔ ɛna ofiri na yɛduru hɔ no mu ma yɛ ne birimu ɛkasa na man nke sɛ asɛ polisifoɔ wɔ kurom no dɔɔso bambɔfo no dɔɔso do nti ama asɛ ɛbɔ mu hu kakra but ɔno koraa no wankasa ɔmɛto ɔsɛ ɔba abɛto but asɛ bambɔfo a ɛwɔ kurom bebree no ama asɛ ɛbɔ no hu kakra deɛ but then yɛbɛwura a ɛyɛ takora sɛ ha ne stations ahodoɔ ama visit nyinaa no wohu sɛ obi ɛkasa bi a bambɔfo no dɔɔso nti no wɔn ɛmma mmɛto aba but then obiara wɔ ahotɔsoɔ sɛ ɛyi bambɔfo no ɛwɔ ha no mu ɛbɔ ban sɛdeɛ bɔne bi nsi abatoɔ no ebɛtumi ayɛ asomdwoeɛ ɛna mɛba ntumi hu sɛ bi edu abatoɔ sɛ yi a campaign a ɛne deɛ baawo sɛ nkɔfoɔ ɛnam na ɔmo yɛ but mehu sɛ obiara ɛyɛ campaign but then ɛyi party ahyɛnsodeɛ ɛne posters ahodoɔ ɔmo faale yɛ no hu sɛ polls ahodoɔ sisi yɛ nyinaa no ebi ɛbɛbɔbɔ ho wohu owura twum esideɛ no a bɛhu sɛ ne mfoni n'ase hɔ no na yɛde MP no a wafiri mu no yɛde ne mfoni no ɛde ato hɔ kakra ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔno ɛna esi nanan ɛna lawyer bedi akono so deɛ no ɛwɔ hɔ agye sɛ ɔmo nyinaa yɛ mpanyinfoɔ a partyfoɔ kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo asom ɛwɔ ɔmo party no mu owura bedi ako na ɔyɛ ɔmo secretary NDC ɛwɔ constituency mu san ɔno aso na ɛyɛ lawyer ma baako no a ɔgyina ɛwɔ 2024 abasɛm no kɔɔ kɔɔto no nti ɔmanfoɔ no kyerɛ sɛ wasom party san so ɛna wokɔ ɛyɛ MPP fam nso a owura ɛyi asumedi no a ɔno nso egyina mu ma wɔn ɔno nso na ɔna ɛhwɛ wo sikasɛm ɛde ma wɔ mu agye sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɔno nso asom nti ne mfoni no MP na afiri mfoni ɛda ne posters ɛwɔ hɔ around de nyinaa nso de bɛyɛ a nipa no hu n'anim a ɔbɛkae sɛ ɔno na ɔsi MP no a ofiri mu no anan sɛ de bɛyɛ abatoɔ no bi a bɛtumi akɔ ama no but me bɛburu a kurom deɛ mehu sɛ party bi anaasɛ party bɛbi gyina baabi a wakɔ na obi ɛgye sɛ ɔkɔ sɛ bi a ɔkɔ akɔtoma wei anaasɛ kɔtoma wei in fact ɔmo a me ne ɔmo ayɛ interview no koraa no bi no ɔmo ɛka sɛ wobusa sɛ deɛ na ɔbɛhwɛ so ato aba ɔsɛ mpuntuo na mpuntuo no saa nipa mmienu no ɔmo no mu akasa mahu baabi a obi agyina ɛwɔ daa mpuntuo a ɔhwɛ so ato aba no so ɔmo so ɔmo ne adi nkɔmmɔ ɔmo aba nana ɔmo abɔ dwa ahodoɔ ma ɔmo akɔtie deɛ ɔmo ka ɛnti nipa mmienu wode ɔmo tu nsɛnniani a ɔmo ɛkɔto aba no deɛ ɔmo nim ɔmo a ɔmo kɔto ama no ɛnti sɛ obi bɛka sɛ ɔkɔto a ɔmo a so far na ɔmo akasa deɛ obi anka sɛ ɔkɔto ama ɔtumi si anasɛ ɔbɛnte bɛrɛ ɔsɛ ɔmo ba akɔto aba ɔmo kɔto nso a ɔmo nim deɛ ɔmo bɛto de ama no ɛsan mpuntu a wɔn ɛpɛnti ɛnti no yɛguso ɛnantim bibi atɔ fam a yɛbɛma maso ato.
afra mi gya mu akɔba ahwɛfoɔ ɛhwe a ɔne yɛ screen ɛyɛ kusi abatoɔ mpɛsua so wɔn na sɛ pinche mente mu ase bi ɛna asa yi ne ti ne ti ɔhwɛ o TV ne so a ne ɛkɔ so ne yɛ kusi sɛsie ne ɛkɔ so ɛhɔ ɛno no asa mente mu ase kakraa bi otum sɛ amanfoɔ toto yɛn nsa pɛkyɛpɛkyɛ ti ɛhwɛ wiem saa ali sɛ normal for Akwatia so Alfred me gye wa mu akɔ no wɔn sɛ between MPP NDC emu mpanyinfoɔ bi nam afiefie mu try to convince amanfoɔ sɛ ɔmmra bɛto aba ana.
Well, for now no unze a report before everybody say na party akase mienu me kire NDC na MPP nyina no won mpanyinfoɔ a wɔn kran aba constituency mu a wɔn ɛyɛ mu adwuma minua ɛyɛ Maxwell baby ɔno kɔ I think wenya mpanyinfoɔ no bi aba hɔ no wɔn ayɛ interview kra ne adaba so far ɛyi ɔde sɛ ta class ha yɛ wɔn deɛ menye hu national executives anate ɛde NPP party panyin bia ana NDC party panyin bia however no ɔmo efi constituency ha ɛne deɛ am so ɔmo akyɛ ɔmo a ɔmo ne nemu ɛyɛ ɛne ebi ɔmo hwɛ abato no so but me ba me hu sɛ bi ɔmo abɔkyemku ɛwɔ baabi ɔmo convince ɔmo sɛ bi a ɔkɔ akɔtoma party we ana sɛ kɔtoma we ɛnde me hu bi ɛwɔ haba me awɔ sɛ mpinifo no constituency mo ɔmo yɛ adwuma me nyanya bi enya encounter ne nkasa ide but for now bibia ɛkɔ so a me nya hu sɛ ebi a party panyin bi group nkɔfo bi a or convince ɔmo so ɔmo kɔtoma otumoti ana sɛ ɔbɛnten.
Okay, better say afrabo ya bani boni ya also to abani boy ede free ye Akwatia takrase abato empesua ye to aba also ebi no Akwasi quick one
quick one.
Okay.
Statistics say 5-4 in favor of MPP 5-4 NDC 4.
Okay.
Yes.
The NPP win it five times.
5 times.
And NDC win it 4
times.
Even with 1992.
Yes.
Okay.
From 92 to 2024. Yes.
Dr. Tutuboy, Dr. Mwache.
Azi.
Is it only I mean your back board is so go chuma. Yes, here when you are kwesifo. How chuma go there? Boko gosi. Okay. Dr. Baba hold na chum fire fam. Na ya resa na Akwatia. E hold abato no. Se the simi etiem. Efi 92 ebesi 2024 the last general elections. Yeah, ewo my Ghana. Send a wabakosem etie
yo kwase me da say and senior will be name no NPP NDC ene gina mu pa nti e behwe but the ever board no say who say 3 political parties ene ekwa abato no ene
okay
NPP number 1 on the ballot, NDC number 2 on the ballot, LPG number 3 Kofi Akpalu so candidate LPG
Liberal Party
of Ghana. LPG candidate.
Wow.
Ewa hanum nti director we me yako.
Okay.
Na
data be ya say go via palo candidate wo.
Yes, nti say me kan NPP, NDC, LPG. The okay. Candidate na eba no. NPP Solomon Asmedu or 40 years.
Okay.
NDC Bernard Bediako Beidu or 40 years. And LPG Patrick Owusu or also 34 years. And I know the Nyina Haka Krebi director. Or no ye
kwachi
Nyina LPG there. Yeah. Also no 34 years.
Yeah.
Bebnu pa but no oha o DJ.
Oh DJ.
Yes.
Like obi on volume war FM so na say yase.
Oh yeah, crazy DJ.
Like omo volume war yase.
Aha, into no oh program bi na wa frɛ no. No abebo.
Okay.
Onye obi owo to say radio station, TV station or bonyo no there. Onenam yase party na dey ade no obo.
Good. Yeah.
Into the no. But ono so free Achimbu Adua. NPP candidate no Achimbu Adua.
Okay.
NDC Achim Takrase ene Achim Kusi. We so free Achimbu Adua. No call Buedia Prime Presby. No call primary school. No call New Abrim Senior High School.
So all the 3 candidates no be no free wenchi.
There be obi en free wenchi.
Okay.
It's no free Buedia. Or call Presby ewo Buedia primary school. Owie no call New Abrim Senior High.
Okay.
No one to asu biu and a jaw de bobo bon nyom wo e kra na so ha ti e be koye nim ne hu
yeko
say 3 candidates na e ko de ba e be gina 2 candidates so
aye Solomon Kwame Asumadu
na
Bernard Bedia Obedu lawyer
and e be gina nkasa
yanko yanim na
yanko yanim
yeah
yes into the yanko yanim ne hu 2 main contenders no
okay
obia ahoden te say adwuma ben no waye oye na adwuma sen ofri kro ben so ni nyina so next slide no be me hu
okay
the be free into NPP candidate no Solomon Kwame Asumadu ono 40 years and ya aka no ofri Achimbu Adua oye minor and waye adwuma so wo PMMC na your friend Gold Board
okay
e ho waye adwuma e wo honom ti oko school e wo Achim honom a on the man from local school GCD Ohono Koyo Odan Secondary School, we no call All Nations University. Ewo Kofudria. Afi party jumedi ben wedi. No polling station secretary. Ewa Achimbu Adua. Be 3 times to be 12 years no polling station secretary. No be a constituency treasurer.
That's the whole of Akwatia.
CC or a constituency treasurer.
Okay.
Yeah, NDC ni ono so 40 years 10 year kan no. Ono free Achim Takrase.
Okay.
And they be also no Achim Kusi, a hono co school. Okay. Eda or a private legal practitioner, sending him no a lawyer ni ujina abatu mubi. And sending American or no co school nibi, a watching kusi, OPRI, and no watching kusi. Later, the figures in about who say ho NPP ni wini and 90s in the wini or Accra Academy, no sign call University of Ghana, we a Ghana Law School. So koye jume DNB wo ho. Na fe masters no e wo Gimpa no go so ye wo ho party nso jume dia o ye currently or your party constituency secretary edema NDC into aha and the figures in the agents and Canada no polling station 119 polling station and a votes 52,328 and any votes are omumie no ebe pre ho eda electoral areas no 21
electoral areas
21 electoral areas and all constituency ehonom eno no mbe pre 52,000
so 52,000 and they call for 2024
eno a
okay
nti omo current voter figures ni
okay
52,000 okay ti ebe ko ni ehu
okay yeah the next one na okay
yes into electoral areas and electoral areas and basically kura hodo a ewo Akwatia into Achim Wenchi electoral area Achim Swabe Achim Takrase Achim Kusi Anwiaso Esuboni Amanfrom Walker Awusia Domiabra Kwame Kuma enu ye main Akwatia enu ya waso enu ye main Akwatia Saddam so ye main Akwatia Achim Topremai eso wo honum Sechikrom Apinaman Dwinase Okumeni ARS Buadua East Buadua West
okay
edo hwe Buadua East eho no ye NDC
okay
Buadua West NPP nti de ho de be hwe ena ohwe major towns I work constituency wa no ya bobo bidada eno no ewo honum eda fe boundaries of a constituency for constituency no other constituency ben ena omni omboshe eno ohwe achimodan nti wo free Achim Wenchi ansa na we free odan abewura Akwatia no wo bedru Achim Wenchi nti omne odan for boshe omne kede nso boshe e wa Achim Buadua omo san e wa Samankase nso Bamnase eho na omne Samankase Lower West Achim e boshe e wo ho no makroso asene akroso nso omne omboshe e wa adai krom eho nso omne omo boshe ya hwe ba bia NDC ahoodin gina
ti ba bia hwe ye ba bia NPP ahoodin egina
we ye ba hwe NDC ahoodin
de tini akọ
NPP so de nti no NDC ahoodin no Kwame Kuma sani American no main Akwatia eno ya Akwatia Hausa Zongo sa area honum NDC ahoodin wo ho ya waso eno nso eye main Akwatia Kotokoli Zongo ehon so NDC ahoodin wo ho Buadua East sani American na ehon so ye Buadua Zongo yes ehon so NDC ahoodin
me hwe we ni ya mean say wo hwe NDC ahoodin wo Akwatia constituency na emu bi wo Zongo line no
yes ehon no ma ahoodin ni gira ho pa ena Okumani eno nso eye one town a NDC ahoodin wo number 4 enso NDC ahoodin wo ho Esubone Amanfrom Takrase wa NDC candidate ni free no ehon NDC ahoodin wo ho ena ahweaso ehon so NDC ahoodin no ejina so wo ho pa
okay ti facha bi ho NDC no ahoodin ni jina how many of the polling centers and electoral areas 1 2 3 4
Akwatia no mienu ewa ha ena Buadua East nzo Buadua na mienu East and West NDC ahoodin jina East
so it means NDC will be say 8
Bay 8
out of the 21
album any electoral areas Bay 8 there be Bay 6
maybe
I want hoodin jina pa baby o mu wini bad margin no ya na nkitten nti baby
a hoodin pa no
eno nini
okay yeah kwa NPP there
21 and I say 6 out of 19
6 out of 21
yes the whole jina pa the other areas no mu to me win bi
okay like but baby o win boom pa no 6
yes
out of the 21
okay
yan hwe
NPP dia nso ni
okay
baby a vote akese ne pa ba edema NPP no ba ko ya Achim Wenchi
okay
apinaman nso gina mu dwinase
okay
eno nso ejina mu Achim Kusi
okay
baby a NDC candidate ne co school ehon no NPP ahoodin na ehon nso gina pa na Buadua West sani American na ehon na NPP candidate no enso free Solomon Kwame Asmedu onu free Buadua West na Achim Topremai also NPP ahoodin ni gina so pa ewo honum
okay so ti ahanum nso no NPP so was 6 out of 21
6 baby ahoodin ni gina kese on say baby wo ho a party ni be win but vote no
enye papa okay
baby NPP vote so pa ya Achim Wenchi ehon no de NPP to mean 60 to 70%. Da bana makra around 70%
to me. One na NS kumi so free no.
NS kumi free. Nti ye koye nim de be hu de nti a NPP vote ni ko gina ho.
Okay. And you the swing
areas na. E be say ARS. Bu NPP win, bu NDC to me win.
Okay.
Also polling stations are hold we be ho. And Achim so abe. Also NPP to me win, NDC e to me win.
Okay.
It's almost former MPs no. Enini. Senia of Akwesi kan no. NDC winning 4 times, NPP winning 5 in 9 elections. But since 1992.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, in 1992 na NPP in parliamentary election.
Yeah.
It's in Sasadia 5-3. But any a record Nijina since 92 na 5-4.
Okay.
Into 92 no Gilbert Kwesi J na NDC candidate.
Okay.
Or no na MP. And in 1996 Alhaji Mohammed Ezwa Siam or no na NDC candidate. So
NDC is a candidate for 96.
Yes. From 92 no 96.
From 92 no.
Or Sasan candidate.
96 no Sasan candidate.
Or Sasan candidate no. And in 2000 and NPP SO constituency name.
Okay.
And Ora Kingston Akuminkisi, immediate past Eastern Regional Chairman of the NPP. Akuminkisi and Obekita as our seat in the NPP for. And the NTA Achimu Wenchi.
Fatima Memko, Akwatia Mresi, na Yakotian Komoa, Justin Koja Frimpon, General Secretary NPP Amiyoko, NSM for AD Akwatia.
Organizer, our national youth organizer, our head of Security and Intelligence Committee, Honorable Henry Cote, only to attend that meeting and see constituency deputy youth organizer, constituency deputy organizer. This is not an insult even to the Peace Council. And you are making the statement we both quoted it. Were you expecting us to stay there?
Honorable,
were you expecting us to stay there?
Well, some would say that that's why we're seeing, for instance, what we're seeing this morning, just a few minutes ago, some, skirmishes there at one of the polling centers. What actually happened?
What kind of skirmishes? Nothing happened. It's part of the elections. So
they were complaining that you are taking down some posters and all of that.
But is it proper for a poster to be at the polling center? Is it proper? Answer me, is it proper? So if something is wrong, it is wrong.
It is wrong.
Mr. Kuda, what could be a fulfilling outcome for the new patriotic party at the end of
well, at the end of the day, at 5 p.m., when collation is done, you will see the results.
Will the NPP accept the outcome of this election, this by-election, regardless?
Why? What would be the reason for us to accept, and what would be the reason for us not to accept? See, you can answer.
Well, but what message do you have for the people of Akwatia? Peace is all we want. Is there a message for them?
Certainly we all want peace. We all want peace. No one wants violence, but we will not be intimidated.
Have you spoken to the leadership of the NDC already? Because you felt insulted or slighted by yesterday.
We were not the one who called for the meeting. It was Peace Council. If Peace Council has any reservation or any issues, they should call the NDC. If it was our meeting, then the question you're asking would have come in. But it was the Peace Council that called for the meeting.
There's such a high deployment of security personnel. Some say, well, it's an intimidatory tactic. Some are complaining about it.
For us, we are okay. We don't have any issues with it. Our supporters, our voters, who wants to go and vote, will vote. And as we are here, have you seen any police personnel intimidating any voter? No. So if they don't have any hidden agenda, why should we be worried about the police presence? Or let the police are here to help in the NDC rigging machinery. If they are not here to do that, then we shouldn't have any issues with police personnel being here. Thank you.
Thank you. And that's the...
Okay, it's Justin Frimpong Kojia, General Secretary at the NPP Amiyoko Namteso and Central for AD and Komo. The election Kosonumus and Samaudua. About it, I do 2000.
Yes, year 2000.
Okay.
And immediate NPP Eastern Regional Chairman Kingston Akuminkisi, MP. No free Achimu Wenchi. Into a whole NPP base and a base now Wenchi.
Okay.
Into no this are holding a remo 2000 obey MP. 2004 Twaso Ebeye NP. And 2008 an NPP did Dr. Kofi Asare. A course high election no be NP. Baba Jamal, for the first time, our 4 elections, Obenya as our northern MP in 2012.
Okay.
Edema NDC. 2016, and a Mercy Edu Jemfi. I must say.
It is so Baba Jamal about once.
About once.
Only one time.
Yes. After numerous times, here come figures how many times are
Baba Jamal
Ejina election Akwatia. It's I must say so by 2016. But we need 2020. NDC signed by Henry Buachi Adom Okoyo and their friend. And 2024 NS Kumi ebe rename them NPP. It's a board issue and I just say NDC winning 4 election, NPP 5 election.
So it means from 92 to 2024, it's only 2004 now NPP repeated candidate.
Sir. 2000 and 2004.
NDC so throughout and repeated candidate.
Baba Jamal. About 2000.
Make us like candidate to call for the general election.
And I make us NDC mono and NPP as okay.
NDC.
Yeah, NDC Baba Jama call repeatedly. Call 3 elections.
Okay, no lose here.
Yes, Olusu
okay,
2012 na nyame na Adom.
Okay. Okay.
To me win sa election.
Okay.
Ti ye koye nim ne behu figures no.
Sure.
Ti yan chance in free 2024.
Okay.
O say NS Kumi 2024.
Yeah.
Onya 52% of the votes.
Okay.
Eda NDC Okoye onya 47.17 of the votes. 2020 NPP Elusu NS Kumi onya 48.5%. And NDC Henry Buachi Adom win that seat with 51.5%. 2016 Amase enya 57.2%. Obiti Baba Jamal 42.5%. 2012 and Baba Jamal ebeye MP ewa Akwatia Obiti Dr. Kofi Asare Baba Jamal enya 50.71. Dr. Kofi Asare 49.29%. 2008 Dr. Kofi Asare SOBT Baba Jamal 52.6%. Baba Jamal 47.3%. The 2004 Kingston Akumin Kisi Ebio when you 52.2%. NDC candidate Baba Jamal 47.1%. 2000 Kingston Akumin Kisi 48.9%. And an NDC candidate and so 42.8%. 1996 Mohammed Eziam Orunya 52.9%. NPP candidate 30.6%. The 2024 figures in the court no.
Okay.
And figures are court no. Into NST Akumi enya 19,269 votes. And they are 47.17%.
That's 19,269.
Yes.
Okay.
And an NDC candidate no yeah incumbent MP.
Okay.
Or no Lusu yeah. We are 17,206.
So a difference about 2,063 votes.
Yes.
And then there's committee PT NDC for 2024.
Sa pepe.
Okay.
And at 2020 the same candidates no. And no NDC in the win here. Or also 19,899.
Okay.
Or no they are 51.50%. And at NPP NST Akumi 2020 Olusu yonya 48.50%.
Okay. But me kwa manso na mene the East Regional EC boss Ora Jarapi abafo ekodi enkomo na yan share the electoral commission I won say no and so far vote start here say na etie Opani good morning.
Fine morning.
Akraba ko there.
Oh, ya mi adum ya ho ye na mo so ye.
Boko amanebo amoti free form te saying.
Oh, so far so good. Niamani na materials na could do all the polling stations.
Okay.
They can say polling stations ni na normally about Nasia. The air cost boko. So far so good. Yenya as boni bia. Obio baby bia so no machine is working perfectly. But in Sato Super now are very fine.
Okay.
And so far the air also all the polling stations.
Was there a late start in any of the polling centers?
No. About by 6 a.m. The materials no. 70 bia Canada. And the 7 pepe and voting started with all the polling stations.
Amanfo a babeto aba. Wondi hwehweye challenge beba ho ana.
Challenge bia ni that say one say over for voting ID card na bra. And over who details no enter. The one card now you now you may be out through the now also as okay with when you come you just mention your name, you better show with the a verification in the biometric and in Yama, you don't status matter the machine will say verified, voter verified. And as I say, I'm out kind of and certain of names and details get difficult machine is so way to map.
Okay. Are there any special and Shabia commission to ensure say this election becomes becomes free and fair?
And the security issue now the security arrangement what happened there. Well, tell once more person who create any chaotic scene they are not just some NATO. Some NATO pa the FFA team for now over trouble be a big brasso. Especially those from outside that almost or Beshebi, I don't know what they are coming to do because they are quickly happening here. And in case Wabaha also show who's ye, not sure say, obedi braso because elections are governed by law. If you so be should respect the law.
Okay.
Well, I'm sure who see and when the braso no security arrangement are very tight. Now some beto.
Yeni maso chiya about the 2024 outcome of Akwatia election. Dear na electoral commission ya mo Eastern region ya mo sehwe ene abato esui. Mo sua e de free mu.
No, near see any say I want them here can get. And the about to be an we are but makasa ma dia to another main game too.
Okay.
And then the process must be fair. And looking at the process, the party pony na atlas you know to drink or more and more. Me just say we also air cost to prepare. And he begin to say
anything na me bisa say
about to be come
Munim near AC 2024. Yeah, Kofa Sama so can buy
2024 once and a quarter and the once a coming there.
Okay.
Why? The travel.
It's Yenya Reshe we say. Bibia Bakoso Boko.
2024 assembly. Obi no so jim to about that you be out open out the two. And in the round so court. In the young one from the kind of net. And the process must be fair, and that is exactly what we are doing here.
Okay. Merasi piano pay.
Yo, Mr.
As if any point about to commissioner no ewo Eastern region which is an echo one. Remember Goku Adriana I was similar. As you go 2020 election
2020. TN 2016 there no.
2016 okay.
They are so echo ye. They say
okay. But me 2016 there
na. Yeah, 2016 I'ma say any Baba Jamal. Now Baba Jamal incumbents. I'ma say
5,000 votes difference.
Yes, very huge figures.
But me say me share the history of the election for the another Fourth Republic here. Biaya Ghana nya electoral shock here pa 2016 and 2024. I don't know, it looks as if say one no NPP vote for 2016 I must say ekosoro pa. 2024 kwa na shock raba na emo bia the strategy no. You can see say na NPP e floati kakra. But maybe you send this bedi nkuni bia enye too wide.
Yes, it means say you call the demographics of Akwatia for no. Okay. And no slide no so you be hu the entia na metro on the entia. Nti yenko 2012. Okay. And 2012 and so.
Okay.
2012 na still Baba Jamal. No nya mu nkunim edi no. And so na kan na Baba Jamal figures no sa.
Yeah.
It's an NPP Dr. Kofi Asare 19,737.
Okay.
49.29 and Baba Jamal 50.71. 20,308.
Okay.
Yeah, 2008. And also Baba Jama na to Baba Jama no onim terrain pa. Also Dr. Kofi Asare ni win here. Onunya 17,900 and Baba Jama enya 15,860.
Okay. And to so say so Baba was repeated in 2012.
In 2012.
80 with the same Kofi Asare.
The same Kofi Asare.
From 2008. And also back 2012.
Sir, so Kofi Asare winning 2008. Na Baba Jama beat in 2012.
And I have Kofi Asare, but you come back. And Kofi Asare, okay. So
Kofi Asare winning.
And Kofi Asare winning.
Yes.
So actually, Baba Jama beat Kofi Asare now. A little about 1,000 credit ever drew. If you are 2,000. 2,000.
Okay.
600. Okay. My 2008 yen.
2008 yen.
Now Ocean ye Kofi BT Baba na. More than 1,000 votes.
2,000.
About 2,000 votes.
2000 and 40.
Okay.
2040.
Okay.
They were 2004.
Okay.
Kingston Akumin Kisi na still Baba Jamal.
Okay.
Baba Jamal wa Akwatia wa constituency hopa.
Okay.
2004 as NPP 52%. Baba Jamal 47.1%. Here 2000. So Chairman Kisi. That was the first time NPP winning our constituency.
That was 2000, yeah.
Yes. And also a very, very small margin. So between that time, the independent for them and the small parties.
Okay, not independent for 2000 elections.
Yes. And other parties, CPP, other parties in Oho. Into the Kingston Akumin Kisi 13,805, 48.90. Baba Jamal 42.75, 12,069. Era 1996.
Okay.
Era 1996, dear no.
Okay. Yeah, sure way.
Yes, it's no Osha Akwatia, Senior 2021 population and housing census. No, there's 77,000 people. Then Akwatia, where my woman 39,000, and Mema 37,000. It's an open vote now. As a man, a man side, a copper vote now. As well, track was the admired number. Suppose election, there be half. Bibi afa. Aha. It's election bibi. What you say?
Oh, me
39,000.
Election no.
What?
Matthias.
Yes, it's Osha Mebunu no. And a dorsum. It's over baby a vote in Ijna.
Okay.
From a Mebunu na ekosim penny.
Like 15 to 64 years.
Yes, 15 to 64. A dorsum pa.
Okay.
It's a name. Yes, it's a Osha Akwatia CC na de omo mu krom na doso chen omo mu nkroachi
som kakra efa Dr. Tutubuai
Kwasi ohoye
Dr. Tutubuai political
We've had interesting statistics
okay
but I'm person who be swings no
okay
swings no
letter area swings
letter area swings no
yeah
ARS and a
Swabe.
Yeah. Two.
Yes.
Just two.
Yes, two.
Now that makes it 14 out of 21.
Yeah.
7 now can almost.
Yes, 7 on Sunday Makano. The Ameriba and baby are moving very high numbers.
Okay.
Baby or one party ni but they are small numbers. Baby to say Achim Kusi say numbers in this. The difference na make it very big difference. Internal parties in a strongholds no. Omunya votes ni kese ya. We dey be cancel we dey.
Okay.
Na fe wa hu difference na kakra bi.
Na say so me say okulim die be ba pa dey na say
enketua no so timi change dynamics ni kakra. Because say we share strong 6-6 no. Obi anya ne de. Obi hu say uti anya yi a na difference na koye ketua bi.
Maybe also strong so they depend the number of votes now and you're stronger or the area
balance because when you look at the closeness another thing ananka me pese yehwe in fact but ebia I don't know you could break am enti me the beba betuja the appreciation and depreciation of votes in between
in every election
exactly so enti ebasa you would then appreciate sa enketwa no
Omuro
play
in the victory.
Because we ignore omonesa in the calculation. Uti anye ya party B ATU and I say in future election no. Obeka say we dey omo hia. We omo hia.
Okay.
E chine bi na akwa sama bre no.
Okay.
So but I think say a very interesting statistics. Now, I think say particular by election youth no dey be determined.
Youth no.
Exactly. No be determined.
Mine be play a role.
It be play a role because of say mine any bema wadwuma. So what you say? At the end of the day, no, say youth no, a perception you say, asimesi or mine in or tiasie. So ebi our creative jobs are mine. Ebi a nisika unya from mine no, enye perception kuminya or the boy when you be a when you sika no ebia woye hey but when you be very receptive what twen e ben ye ho e ben no ho so ahu wo kan wa hia asem kire na utie se we ni bi kra na obeka kasade bi a kire wo wo bi nsusu obetimi aboa kwan wo se wo de boa no so eno no e be kire bibi
okay
again se ote ho so wonte ho what you say candidates ni mienu no
okay
obi a woti krom ho enye se ofiri ho woti ho enti woti wo mase e chen obi a onye dan wonte ho
okay
so ahu eno so e be play role in fact me discussions kakra ma ye ensem bisa mabisa pese mu kakra ma ye no kire se eno ma mienu impuntuo
okay
so ahu ena candidate no ene na hemi se bedi akoten pa ene dai so ahu Now, a section call for Mpuntu.
Fache mame ko Akwatia esie na ese ne omaka omo abia ne asa si wonya de. Na kwa na Chief Jerry Force wa Akwatia kroma kasa. Yenya ne tie se mentemu ase bi ama ho so kakra e by election. Chief Jerry Force fa no akwa pie na de na ekoso o.
Akwatia sisi na Kamian Sabasaba so kakra ekoso ha. We saw a convoy. I believe say a minority leader, Honorable Afenyo Markin. But Oman follow Amrantia Wahano and Tokwa kakra esiso ha. Masa, but then
we were there. We yeah prompting. Yeah, who understand? Leader of the parliament. No more Jino Castle. And why these posters? No. What reason? I for no more. IPP by the phone. Yeah, it is that a so-called the leader of parliament. They are the people who do that.
About the same masa.
Oh, my brother, can't see you. I know much generation. I'm a why person.
Why NDC parliamentary
council? I want your party office, constituency office. Don't imagine me. I'm a officer. I'm a man. I'm a man. You're about to imagine. You're about broken coin. I'm a Fabio. I'm not start here. Yeah. Constituency office. Number buyer. Number why person. Are they?
Oh yeah, sure. Mujina hona muhusa amo why process.
People is there for the party office. So MP people will take VAT. So when people open the gate, the pushy MDC people, the one stop the boy is my brother. Before NDC all they take the block instead of beating the grass before the people will go. So and these people no have problem. And this was there for the office, the party office. The VAT pass here, NPP will take VAT pass here. So you push the NDC. That's quality. Oh, Chief Jerry Force, I do my friend. Mentio, I'm in Tobia Waka.
That's it.
Winning. Me ko police station ba ko ayi police barracks side one. Me usa afanya mark is buy no mabo one poster no. No about one pista. We can to be safe you. Uko ayi one chiko kasa obi ba on first year too. That's a saying I read say first year too. Chief Justice. We are very ready to face the gun. Into uncrophone number face to number face here. Asama Makarano, you are peaceful Akwatia. No one is better after the law. Even your mama cram bradina. Asamadana so. Even your mama cram some bradina Samadana so. Yanina, Suma dear Yenia, lawyer Yenia, your pabanu, Asumtue, Yampen to Quabi. And then
minority leaders say, I will tell me, Obasamba Bessin Wahao, and
I'm for being committed. Wallahi. You're first to Obako. You're first to Obako. You're first to Obako. Chief Justice. Macho my phone. Akwatia no macho. Ubahu Ketoa. Oba Chitu no Chief Justice. Yanto Abasu Asuntum. Nobody wedi. Nobody so lusu. Say we near winning. If we accept the defeat. Accept anyone.
That's it. That's the situation here. Akwatia town proper. And our much say minority leader and in the convoy. Ebe drew on party office no. Rantie be a woman SCFM AYY Bernard Beidu ni posters. Our party office. So then I confirm to kway. But as we speak, the minority leader. Wako Okwananima or the next town. Enti yani nemu nebeko sobiano ya de bro. Meeting the Chief Jerry Force na ha ayo election headquarters.
As one for so entre achim kusie ho na Afrida mo enso akwakodru. Nya ho na yekoso enso e betra se be resi the minority leader ewa man so na eno so edi nkomo to find out say sa allegation we osomu se wo je ne say no crest and branches si free ni car omre ebamu ekwa NDC candidate no posters anam Alfred bako there
for Kusi funeral grounds na oba Kusi a oba hanmo ayewo abato bebia ye abato na ekoso mikire polling stations no ye makoma 7 na ewo ekurum ha sei na enum ba ko ne yeginan aha aye Kusi funeral grounds ma ye ne presiding officer ohwe abato no so ewa ha ni nkomo ne yehwe se sen na niam eko anopai obanyini ye mo akwa baba Adom TV so
ye nwia
ne ba jona udin design
FM Patrick Abebio
wona ye presiding officer wa ha sei okay na niam eko sen
Oh, so far the enema air course and it was air call.
Oh, okay.
And to be a editing.
Okay. Nti nimpa sen na mo hwese ne omo ebeto aba.
426.
426.
426.
Nti si ameno ka say nimpa be sen na edi count.
The nipa be 25. Abe cast your vote.
Oh, okay. 25. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's it. And no oba ha ekoso na wo hwe bambo ensem so a bibia de na kwan so from town mu udu frikusia wunya fiahyese na wura town mu no a wo hu bambo for sans na oba center ha so a wo se bambo for bebre e wa ha mo hwese bibia ebe kama e wa ha ye be koso already echi ne akwa ada centers no akwohwe de ekọ ne abo amane
Afadamu ebadase afadamu de amanboy every year kusi year wo Akwatia constituency and eno etwe ekboro eti doctor na but unfortunate statement from the guy. Yeah, it's unfortunate.
Well, it's a allegation in a way. You see, elections on a normal baby na we are manyคนว่ามาเวนี่นะว่าnowช่วงวันก็สาดีนสวยเบ็ดไม่ดีเนี่ยอามันอยู่ฝนยินาเดี๋ยวไม่ยันเซ่ data na your present analysis naช่วงyearโอ้มันนิ่มแบบyour opponent a stronghold wo into okwa obetima kwa ye bibi na atwe adwaba na ye na nkofo na yede o mo mba beto aba no ehunti na bebere ankwa ankoto ebekwatia wo. It is part of rigging in political science. A rigging. And you know, say allegation now or say yampa. Now branches CF minority in that kind of why posters. Also both. Also about woman warning and they took quite a base. Akwatia ni na what the dear to abano. Eh, to the enemy go and maminko semi them. A be a kotoa party. Into Utia ye after bet King Kabano. Now vote no day. A conform. Say 5,000 police officers and they are deployed 119 polling stations. Ubu kuntana say police station biya na say kay 42. Say 42 police officers in one polling station. Any body cameras in no me wo no. It's no distraction. Oh, and you know strategy be to na me sre no.
And then na me bisa say ka obebusa reporter na say omokoko to Sancrophone no poster no because all kasa say ehunihuna bam yeto yampia na asefo no in political science ne political marketing ye frɛ no voter suppression so uti anye ya no
wo abɛhyɛ amanfo ye to mtimeto aba
mpie
because so kasa minority da kra entwem wo hanom dia na the how much more wa
na specific places be or no ma kwatwetwe sekan ne ma
okay
no mo bo in chancing it will be there no
but do you think the way AABB or say place for hold
immediately so the next thing is that yes and it is against the electoral laws
if you call why we posters
will be posters it's against the electoral law. Number 2 baby posters in the bono a bank a polling station
okay
so what you say a bank polling station so and also it's against electoral law
okay
because 24 hours to an election
no campaign
there's no campaign
okay
so say posters no say no kwesi akwatete no na say posters a bank baby a yet to aba etia omyaba to amama
exactly
etini kwa say the poster bo there should be some distance
there should be
is a distance man e close say bia aha na yet to aba na say baby yet to aba na say aha na poster ne bo a o say why
yes
and one also hwe me why say poster no
electoral commission Ghana Police Service
it would me say only to me bia so betimi akwa why
political party na ye poster no
also why
yes
so me opposing party metimi to me akwa why
and then asem no
as I saw draw the attention of the EC returning officer no and as a presiding officer no be on also my instruction you see and now also no on why because poster na ebo na ebe polling station no and also be man advantage say o mo be to aba no o mani boss wa o be kai
okay but was it the issue to say enye unfair to nipa na body because me poster say na wo be choose polling center
no you see you ko to aba
okay
24 hours to the time both a branded party cars in now omde salute at
but I mention say media my boy poster e will be a Adom TV studio
okay emra yes the law is the law.
The law is the law.
The law is the law.
Yes. There are about 4 interpretations to that phrase. The law is the law.
Okay.
One of them, yes, conformity should be there.
Okay.
Timbrano, yes, say, Mubi and Faha at this time. This so.
And Obi answering baby, and your police centers.
It it means as opposed to about no be a one there. Who nya undue advantage over the other party. Short yes,
okay.
But the caveat na yakano. So the next thing is say, "Wa okokoti ye no." Was said yes, was yes.
Mama ko Akwatia Samra biem. Akwasi aso ewo kwasi. Fa no agodrin. Kwasi aso. Montana mnya kwasi aso
mame. Kwasi aha Badwam lorry station. Na polling station no mienu A and B. Me no ka say ansana me begina hey na enipa wo mato aba no ebro 35 ewo B ho sabre ukopie mu ewo A ho nso a enipa ato aba ekọ beye aduanan sabre nipa pepeman koma ne mpanifo bebre aba ha ya wo mu na ehwe ma abato no ekọ so ewo ha sabre samia uku ewo ha no mu say a wo mu na ehwe bi abranti a wo gina se mpanin to ne so aba no ya frɛ no Solomon Asumadu me no ka say owura Solomon enso wa ha ya wo mu nyina ehwe abato ne so na o ma hwɛ sɛ ne anema esi kɔ ewo ha no say na o hwɛ sɛ ne a enipa pempan koma edi line mu ya wo mu to aba no a enya asɛm kuma akra ne nyina ɛkyerɛ sɛ enne ampa abato no ekɔ so ewo Akwatia abato mpɛso aso o hwɛ sa polling station we ya enipa dodo no anhyɛ dan di line ne mu papa saa nanso no wo mu guso a ya wo mu bontoa no ekɔ ne ade a eninti sabre empanifo rewura mpatam ene omanfo no kasa na wo mahwɛ sɛ ne abato no esi ekɔ aprosifo ka ne bambo ho nsɛm enya de ketwa saa sanse ene hwɛ a police enom ne ade ebo ban ewo mpatam ha wiye no free ho nso a electoral commission ho keka no ewo soro pa ya sabre abato commission wo monkrata ni ade ebeduru ntem kura dadaada kura nsana wo mo inspection ahwɛ ansana ene abato no hyase aha boadua nti no o hwɛ bebia mewe a bi enipa ne disantin mu kakra ya wo mo to no kakra process no do ni beka se echo smooth o se oba obi ha oba wo ye pani ontimi nante na empani electoral officers na so ni mu adanda ne kakra ne kobut na wo mo gya no na ono a de atim ne opɛ o mo wi o masa so ne nsa na wo mo de abɛhye box ni mu kama ha aprosifo ebo adwuma sanse se oba na se ebia o si obi animu undi line ni mu ye a no more direct mo di line ni mu uye no firi hon so a wo hwɛ baby a pooling center no wo ene senia niamasi kɔ no a wo masa age atopempim age ban wa ha sɛ wo free abonten pɛ wo de pata bebrebe bewura mu a aposifo ma wo kwan kra ma unwura mu saa kwa sanse omu nyina ebo ban ewo hanum say so far so good ewo Badwam lorry station wo be piem wo ha enipa no abo apeso kakra we de asante no ato kakra ya wo mu edi sante ni mu kakra ewo hanum say ya ene obi anim sere ya wo mu ko ma me no oto aba na wie ase pepa no ohun bebe on fanfa okay wo mu de ahyem ama no aha nti eno so ehun nsam eno no sabre yegu so ewo hanum say ayehwe empanifo enom ne ade a yedi enkomo obani memo akwaba e de ba Adom so
yeah
but so bibia boko wada roma wudin ni wudi bia
me di so fo azoka
oi so fo akwaba
me
so fo yeni nkomo so far wakọ hemfa na sen na elections na eko
or me call 6 but so far so good so far so good nti o fa baby up security o fa baby up security nti it's good
So for we security ni free hɔ electoral process na nkasa no sign na ho no we okay with electoral process and say the name
I'm okay. I'm okay.
You have attendance and so and said that your line to 10
they be low turn up but an apart yes say by we are almost by Babante.
So for Yadasipi.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Sabri, ube pimwa sofu azoka. Ene ni di nkomo no. Se yen kai kakra azoka boys ni ade sofu azoka ena behe. Enyo sofu azoka nkwa na ba. Empanifo bebre. Ya wo mu kebie wo mu ewo amanyose mu. Me hu apia stadium so abetwa mu ha kra dada. Sanso ena me hu maame comfort do you adan mrahye bedwani. Me hu mrahye bedwafo bebre. Impo ube pimo polling centers bia. DCs. Ya wo mu wo Mensi assembly no omo e no mo ya polling agent wa ha wo mu nyina eboa ehwe na dwumedie no konkan aha ya chembu adua lorry station AMB enti no sabre abato no guso kwaso nipa dodo no anso a wo matu kwan afri miamia eba no wo mu nyina nso aba ya o mabeto aba ne bi enti wo ha bon se ehyen aba ehyen ne ba enipa ene wo mu a wo mu si form esan so bi ono free akiri ofree enkran no ne ade aba wo mu na aba beto aba no ewa ha enti no sabre process no smooth mehwe se menya yenuanom bi ewa ha na yenom di nkomo kakra na ya hwe omo nso omo observations kakra ewa ha opani Adom TV so ne bibia bokọ de nyame Adom bia bokọ ta me na begina ha o wano pe ya basisi krok ya wo hwe se ne abato ne kwa wani je ho o abato de yare je ho pa ekoye ene je ho boni bia ne akire na manfo bi kasa prosifo no do so sa no a na musuro o prosifo no de bambo omo boy ho ban se na boni bia entu bi na bataba bia ensi edema prosifo no omo edi achi enjo na omo hwe so se bia be ko jojo enjo eno emmom ho da bi ensuro ezo omo boy ho ban se na boni biara entu yen enjo omo boy ho ban na wa be gina he wato aba wi ana memento ma bae o twen den meto ba memento no ha aden na sa suban no ase ye ba mantam ha obi beto aba obetwen no miensa no nan aden me nto obo adu ha meto epenaman enti anope me ba na makora makotuma ba enti metuma ba me da se mame mompi abrante ba akoso na me ne ono so eni nkomo ne hwese na nyemesi ko opani ate sen ya me adumo frɛ wo sen me de Francis oto aba wo konso asi mu batwan oto he meto apraman okay wato aba mento ya afena meko ta me na beto aba afena meko ni ntina mbae okay Francis wo process ne sen na nyemesi ko ene nyemesi ko e de Medasipi ebusian for Sabre yegusu aginam ewo achembo adua opani boko de boko na usi bobo na se do kutu penalty masa mani abre wode bran kasa ba na se metunu bum yetu na se wonkwa wontumi ntubum yetunu bum wonkwa wontumi ntubum ye nyina yetunu bum Akwatia constituency na yetunu ahokeka ne tesen ahokeka de ye no na eguso no ewo soro kasa masa nye ize fa esen abato ne kono wani je ho mu hu ne sen o abane de wa no na eguso no yeguso a ye namu a fe na ye mako imi card a me kotuma ba to aba we he me to aba wo ha ya me to aba wo lolly station oh any de enha obi a because some boy ho ban omo boy ho ban se bia basa bisi a aja ye be chu omo no omo do omo ye de akọ ne nya peace ni ato aba no ya fo aso se apolisifoɔ no wa ha omo wa ha ya omo wa ha omo boy ho ban ya okay mate sorry ma me kwa brante ba akoso na me no opani ni nkomo opani bɔkɔ de yankopɔn de mo udin de sen e from ya pia dan kwa alfa pia abato ne kɔsen akoyie bɔkɔ pa wankasa asa ubegina ha che uhu apolisifoɔ ne ade no a moyam hyehye mo yem hye kura kwa udi bɔne a ana oyem behyew udi bɔne a na bɔne otima ana oyem behyew but wa bɔne bia ni otim de oyem hyew yeah nti to aba we bitu aba sekuru atim sekuru asa minim wanim ani wa hwa nti na time na bakoto ebo be 11 na aden na mo pɛ ye twɛn so ralfo e be petrol point anse na yakoto Medasipi abusianfo hwe a se na medi kan de to dwa no nipa bi wo hɔ a obekɔ na dwuma so obi bɛkɔ afuom obi bɛkɔ na dwuma so ansa na o abeto aba no wobɛkɔ na adwuma so ansa na wabɛto aba no nti sabre ebi mu sɛ 11 o'clock okay ebi mu sɛ 12 o'clock ne ade ansa na wabɛto sabre Nana Kwame Asumadu Akwatia King Solomon ɛna wɔ monitor elections no ɛwɔ ha na ɔno nso n'ani di akyire ɛhwɛ process no sɛnea nneɛma si kɔ Nana Kwame Asumadu ɛyɛ Akwatia MPP parliamentary candidate ɔno nso wɔ ha wɔ monitor election no sɛnea process no sitie ɛwɔ ha sabre bɛpiem wɔ ha sɛnea mekan no ahyɛn no baa na ɛba ɛde nipa 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 ɛba yɛfrɛ ɔsɛn
yɛfrɛ me Kofi Ampɔf dodoɔ na afrɛ me righteous
na time na baakɔto aba
ɛbɔ bɛyɛ 2:30 because me no me taxi driver me yɛ aplaman bɔ adua
okay
me yɛ aplaman bɔ adua afi na makolo du baako amaba sisi adeɛ ha yɛn ane yɛ kwan no deɛ nyɛ nti yɛsrɛ so ma bɛyɛ ma yɛn
okay mate medase pii na wohwɛ abato no sɛ na nneɛma si kɔ wohwɛ prosini a wahyehyɛ hwɛ ne mpaboa ne adeɛ a ɛbɔ mu hu
polisifoɔ no yɛhu wɔm da biaa yɛne wɔm na ti da biaa yɛkɔ a yɛhu wɔm yɛba yɛhu wɔm yɛda yɛhu wɔm nti yɛnsuro wɔm ɛmu yɛhu ɛnyɛ yɛ hwee yɛne wɔm a yɛadamfo ne wɔm nti yɛnsuro
asɛ mokyɛ obi wɔ sɛ mekɔ medwuma so aba obi wɔ so mekɔfa kakra aba obi wɔ so mekɔyɛ wei aba ansa na bɛto aba wonyini sɛ ɛno na ɛkyɛ
ɛkyɛ mum by on the taxi driver there ɛsɛ ɔsɔre kɔpɛ ɛkɔ danda ho kakra ansa na wabɛyɛ dɛn nti ɛbɔ bɛyɛ tu a mɛkɔ no makɔto aba no na aba no deɛ yɛtu no bum ebum
abusuafoɔ sɛnea wote constituents ɔmanfoɔ a yɛ a ɔmowɔ boadua ɛne a ɛwɔ Akwatia abato mpɛsoa so sɛnea ɔmo ka no ɔmo sɛ abatoɔ no deɛ ɛyɛ bum ɛna ɔmo to no saa bere deɛ nipa kaa bɛsi yɛ nipa sisi fam a ɔmo firi baabi akwantuo mu na aba a ɔmo nyinaa ba bɛto aba no bi ɛkyerɛ sɛ nipa ɛba amanfoɔ ɔba kurom wohwɛ station ha kaa no ɛnkyɛ na ebi aba wei kyerɛ sɛ ɔmanfoɔ a yɛ a ɔmo to aba no ebi wɔ Nkran Kumase Takrade Tema ɛnom ne adeɛ no wɔn nyinaa ɛreba bɛto aba no anɔpɛ nti sɛ station ha deɛ asan no ɛdi ahyɛnfiri ɛni ɛnde saa bere wohwɛ process no nso a ebi wɔ ha na ne mfie no kɔ anim saa no a na wɔn asɔ ne nsa de n'aba ɛyɛ na electoral officers no ɛboa ɛma wɔn so wɔn nsa ɛde bɛto aba no kamakama ɛwɔ ha nom sɛ saa bere aha ayɛ menyamenya nsuo no ɛpɛtɛpɛtɛ kakra broni bɛka sɛ drizzling nsuo no ɛpɛtɛpɛtɛ kakra ɛno no ɛnha obi akora adwen amanfoɔ ɛdi mu a santi mu a yɛ a wɔn ɛbɛto aba no wɔ ha nsuo no ɛpɛtɛpɛtɛ nanso ɛnhyɛ da ɛnha adwen papa bi asa ɛwɔ ha na so far so good Akwatia abatoɔ no anaasɛ abatoɔ ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ boadua no lorry station no yɛnya ntwiraka bia ɛwɔ ha bibia dada na kwa mu kama ɛwɔ ha nom sɛ ya wohwɛ bi ɛwɔ ha
ɛna ɛma yɛsa report ma me sa nkɔ na any nkɔmɔ from Akwatia safe na ɔde wafidi atoa no Adom TV enie ɛyɛ Akwatia by election yakɔfa de aba nyina ne sɛ wɔmra hyɛ medwani owura NSC akumi baamo wu ato ne sa ɛre afrɛnti ne abato komisa body asiwa mu a ene dai ye saa by election ya pedi power for akwasi wo manan mu e wo mra hye bedwafiem enti ya besa akwa Akwatia grounds wo no ebiem na yakwa akwahwe doctor emso wa kontabu akra
aha na me can say
okay
when say the depreciations and appreciations
okay
and the pluses and minuses for every election omoye no
okay fache man say the Inspector General of Police Ora Tete Yono akwakodru grounds ye ko ne akwenti kwasi azo ebemba bia IGP enemrante no akwakodru no COP Tete Yono na one nemrante akwakodru grounds yomo so ebo apro kakra ewo ehonom sene be asumdwe ebetimi aba so ono so kire di nemrante anim se no mu ye bia omoso from Nkran eta omochi about 5,500 police personnel there. I know there's history. Military on standby.
Yes, there's history. One, a mining area.
Okay.
Into a tuning idea Shishankofo.
Ewo.
And number 2, 2012, Baba Jama winning it. There was a rerun of 9 polling stations.
Okay.
A tuning idea you to two.
So they know our
exactly. Into Akwatia ono sa history ni wo ho. And into the police for no They have all this information.
Okay.
And it's Omaya Crado. But many of you say, Oman for no more constituency on Tuabano. Almost say police presence in
you said America, so some don't know
exactly. Because mining community,
but I was winning the challenger a bit more Mundi you do come can you say it's not about the number of police near one. I can't be a police for no at the war grounds. Because he will be war Ablekuma not.
Yes.
Where even a bra giddy air caution. The only thing a police name to me and so about chin one dear free giddy no.
Won't say, won't anything ni see wa Ablekuma no. And on that, I inform police no. Amma Badwam who ya IGP Emma's assurances no. Because ni see no to me money see wa Akwatia biu. And no beef up members no and no also security for no. And no more dey go akwam no mo kan kire. So mo kasa na say any security biu. No me no maka just say the 5,000 policemen be ko but akondie ne no mo be ya betumi e dia brand to kwa na so ye no e beba ho no omo nka kire o fa betudwa so enti no omo she uniform ne yeni mo omo she uniform so
na kwazina make say police no ogina o tuani no
yes
abrante na oba no se tuo hye no ho se to pae na hye no ho police ni enti na make say yen kai hwe kwa yaka Ablekuma
yes
Ablekuma no de no gidigidi koso no police ni ade o ye nyina ne say otwe no firi gidigidi no ho enu hye na ndim komo okokuma so ka kiro nyina nse minito bede ma me kwere ko tie IGP nim secretary for ADM komo ye kwere ko tie kuma the inspector general of police and secretary for AD ne bi
inside the whole thing is
enimo enya so yes on your screen there IGP you ababedu na watch them say more than 5,000 police personnel on grounds
on say we no ehye police for nkran
okay
say ekoto aba na yankasa ye prosipani aba ho a o motivate omo you see se bibi ensi a police for no omo nya djuma bia enye
because the issue meaning what be mo so concern and now it means with the 5,500 no it means say you're about 46 police personnel in every polling station.
Yes.
You see, the whole thing is, because but the whole thing is the deployment. It's not the number. The deployment. We can't deployment. I said the Umeba police for no ejina.
Okay.
So what you say? Now I feel so we're demarcating security zones. So from security perspective, and strategic security perspective, so one tour bar, baby or what, unkujina. But what I say, okay. Ena yenim say, a free ebia kwensin be mienu, kwensin miensa, no. Police for ni jina ho say ubi barness what the or how be neighbor.
Okay.
So oba be koso or the oba be ye gidigidi bi o ho so ahun sequence miensa ansa no adu ba bi o na before say obeye no say police for no otu so mu ni tu san crofo no matimi abere o ma no ase
okay
that's what I say enti ni nyina be gina enhyehyeye a police for no
like positioning of the police of at the polling station
but
intelligence the issue say
when Ablekuma de no na ntisa
yeah
enti mre ankrofo agi twi mo na mo hoyi de be ye
because doctor obeto so but the challenge here say when it gets to general election can we deploy 5,500 policemen to Akwatia which the obvious answer is no so the issue is DNA betimi aye ne net to ensure say ochine bi even 1,002 crowd they deploy for every constituency they will become more effective
and I make a deployment no so what you say enye nam dodo ade be yen kwan no na be kire so kwan ye de so kwan be fa so abeye no na be kire say kwan no ede nti enie se wo di police for okọ na police for yafu abu nkama to so se hu bi Ablekuma
yeah
police no onu chase we bi no otu ni na mienu miensa no abere na fu said ye robo belt na so ampege na fu a utimi mobile no So eti kwesi bacho me bo so akwa kofa say nipa we ya wono no ede amerika den na woni mu ono betimi atu ne hunde so ntinye numbers no
exactly
bacho what ya
okay
police for na ado mo kono omo tesai training ben ahombo be no maye
yeah
so what ya say e free ho kono strategy be na
wo wakande
o makande
ye ode kono say
na enyi fa na ade wo mu gina
yeah
so ahu ena woni parties no so political parties no enya nkitahudie a kire say
okay
for every polling station eni se supporter bia gina ebia kwansi miesa na kwansi nu uni hu kwan because hu wo saa ye bechew wahu eti ebia me the police for mienu akogina polling station ho ankasa so ahu kwansi baako bia no na baako anamienu gina so ahu ebekwa akwa akosi kwansi nu ne hu say process ne secured
okay
so badayi wakwa akofa nipa mienu enipa mienu nso so a ahoɔden bia ni wo mumu so o ma ye dompe ni kakra nso o mo so o mafu na abu agusue mirika kura wontimi ntu na wakwa akofa machoni a wono no akɔgem saa aye work saa aye jogging saa no wo police no no wa hoden chen ese kura nso saa wo BP
wow akasi o receive issue be say general election be any day say general election your police from kwana boban you the soldier for count you the other
the issue say even in general election we are not going to get 5,500 security personnel deployed to Akwatia.
You see when by election historically from 92 to trust some cost was constituency say by election go for mo fi so
can we look can
ebedu sata no the constituency when the constituency on here to trust
it me ahwe the security gap yenti ama edu by election ya manfo no eye to trust them even more than general election ya can feel say the number of voters ekosro because by election by election now okay we have been looking around by say 50-55% voter yes it's as against the obetimi 70%. And no, you will not deploy this number of security personnel. At the internet drew kitwe bi dia na even your security personnel no wa hwe ne ekura no ombetumi abunipa kro koto about that police station.
Me kire o say.
The temi atras ye hu say o man. Say eduru Akwatia. This is the challenge. Ahani ha na amanfo atake advantage a omde emma security no anobrase. Ebi akande enema police for edekọ enso. You bet me a beef in a point. And said, Sir, oh, yes, sir, then it means say, by election, I mean to me, I met him the general election. Okay, by election, what deploy 5,500. Now, do general election be or deployment of Bruce be a 700 800. Let me advantage
going to offer 5,500. Abdekumanov said the name grass. Abdekumanov was said,
was it because of the numbers?
One, numbers am one. Two, deployment am one. Three, strategy am one.
Nina feeling. Strategy
nina be a failure. So it is.
In the heart of Accra.
Say no, this is a timer.
Was it because of armless security personnel now one and say which of the strategy? Because say please you call Kato say me kuta
from where I stand no.
Yeah.
So when any political parties no enye kita hudi ansa na okwablekuma.
Okay.
This time why?
Okay.
So it is here. Number 2, when to me and chere say one famra and to kwemu say untimi kwa untimi yesi this time I catch them say mo bia amfa macho men na sefo ema baby a wo abeyesa na obecho no dibedi one thing saying and one thing implementing this what I say
okay
tie say so what che omo mudi akaka bensem na obeye omden ana say obekwa kugina ho ama Blekumanov asan ya babi ye hwe Pacho kwezi back. Okay. So who dey make no. Eti ye ma no verification as benefit of the doubt. We dey nya no kwan. So
okay.
Na ye hwe dey besi. Now say all ye we mu ni nyina no. Wodi nkuguo na wodi nkonimu no na wusua de. So they say how many years ahead?
Okay.
Our the bekwa akoye general election. So what you say as IGP. E be do honest what that's what they are. Okay. But so ni whoever is taking over. That is why you move be ni GD say. You see politics e will see yi among your same bebre no e di free institutions of state. Na omunyo omo fa ahudie. Senka Ghana Police Service. Nanka enye president eno wotumi man broso eno onu na ekwa akoyi IGP. Na wasa yi nkrofo bi nso aka IGP ho a. Ena ka police service na no. Okay. Ena eyi wo mo nkrofo ne nasefo a. Se we ye bayi. Ko nipa kro ni se e wo se me ya pepa na me ni yi.
Etu ya ba ne say opposition bekem.
O se ne
government be bo.
Ade de kwasi.
We ma ba.
See, ade bia na me but yeah na normally me kan je say edu ba bia na idea ma me. No nti ma kan ho asem kakra. Enu am kan wo TV3 say. Enu wo nua nyina say MPP betimi edim kunim. As far as this by-election is concerned.
Akwatia de.
Akwatia de.
E na so won hwe info analytics.
Oh, say wakane de.
With more than 2,000 sample views.
Wakane de o. Ana uzi yana
53% for NDC.
Eni o. Yana edu ba bi na mo kan sample size head. Sample size head.
So microphone no man do come off Akwatia.
O de to bo ase eni. Research akuku damewo research mu pa no be ka kire say the 3 million sample size be no 500 sample size be yeah quantitative. That is the best of our understanding. So what you say me gather views of voters as at that time now your friend is saying registered voter population 15 million made 503 and a mini point of saturation. Point of saturation, you say, the would be come who be no. Okay. The same results in the amount. Okay. And it drew one I'm saying, because if 300 there can na the same results. Okay. They do 503 na me die.
But would you know we na a percentage why na that say?
Me PhD thesis, you know. Okay. 2018 up to now, election be a better be no. Me findings no ewom. Okay. What you say? It has not changed. It's there. Me finding be every election. Me findings. Now, because the person who ni. So say sample size no. Say me year crown say me increase no to 15 million. I wouldn't get any significant difference. Okay. So, and I make sure I say MPP can win this election. All right. Okay. The only dynamics, 2 or 3, in the police, compromise or position.
So please for compromise.
Compromise. How many electoral commission? Compromise.
So in this case, or compromise here, it should favor somebody.
There's some. Said it baby favor what I say? Okay. Number 2. Any say parties now omo eye eto aba no. You know. Se ba kwa nka say ye because as atenra. Okay. Na wa nka say ye na say e de ensensen ba sa bi ba. No na sefo na nkrofo nu omo ho a. Eno no ka ho. Okay. The third one say ye beka on kasa bo ahye oyem say wo ye ma nkonkoto aba. So okay. And na kwasi can say ye born training no saa no a. Na afi de unyu obi a wani e den na wusura de a no akadem. So anti ye hwe ba bi a asimasi benya bi a ni akobo mo training wo ho. Okay. Ba bi asimasi benya bi ni akobo mo training. Okay. E maybe a tram Ketu South. Na we MPP ni we Asante ni we Akani a obeto aba ma MPP a wontimi MPP nkonkoto aba. Okay. So what you say? Come. It's part of the electoral strategies. Okay. So, se sa no ma me nsan we sia. ebi afofo ane de na say yenta hu papa stuffing of ballots.
Yeah, and is it trim say who is me there's all tambalo box ni nyina akra de adwane. Yeah.
So yenta hu nen kese. So apart from the na say kokosi wo mia bi e ma yenya ablekuma. No so but the police for now compromise it. Nom de year 2 year nom de prepare year juma. Electoral commissioner. And so the year 2 year no the normal year juma. So what I say. And I can answer you.
Also, I share your election headquarters Kokromoti Power on Adom TV.
I'm a man can be now.
On your screens, Akwatia by elections, yeah, Ekoso. Nana ya tuaba near the ye nipa obesi Ernest Yaokumi anai ese mrashebedwani ewo Akwatia constituency na nipa kwa kuma shebye femini akoso ano na eja washa se na adwuma ede asomade hye wo Akwatia abato empesu asom so afiye ba behwe the campaign na ekoso grants kwa good minim se wo the developmental projects akoso wo Akwatia ene abawo eba ye no bi abayo ye be yisa we no enyina area chiro afa ye hwe the campaign akwasa adman the campaign ya ekoso ewa Akwatia ba ko na akwaye se menam party wo power se wo pempuntuo dia e se na na do kra ka bi pe monto aban mane obetimi aba me nchen abe prempuntuo
yeah
same card is being played today ese wo Akwatia na NDC ewo power wo pempuntuo pa dia also to abamane eputu betimi aba nchen
well by election ana incumbent party ewa ben mu eta koma
okay
efi omampani kufu abreso
yeah
by elections be kwa Memphis Central near as journalists those days EDH no na MPP sweeping nyina by election experts by election obo wini but do main election na free omosa
okay
now NDC wa bem
yeah
President Mahama wo o providing puntu entino se wanto amani candidate na chese yem o nyina hu sa chese mo Akwatia fo na se mo constituency ade mo mpe aban no that is one thing. Secondly,
is that a political interpretation?
You see, why do we even vote? It's for development. About 20 years to enye minua no madam for no ye pempuntu.
I was matu abadi abafacheme. Matu abadi ama mampeni.
Yes.
Mampeni ina na musini.
Yes.
Yo ye me MC ana me DC ana me mayor.
Yes.
So na me prema mpuntu emra. Se me koto aba from MP. Na ma anto amfa ma o party ni. Are you telling me say because of that you remember o MC na o yi no abe ineffective ana?
Eye political strategy, election strategy. Obeka kire atu timu watu amano.
Okay.
But you see, there's also a theory, retrospective theory. Yemoko in compound quality.
Okay.
If in 92, NDC about bemu mpe awrose.
Okay.
More than the NDC atrankonwa so more than the MPP.
So we yeah. Let's go 9 times yeah.
9 times.
5. Yeah.
Na ni nyina no a omubedi akonwa as oman omo president and MPs na ade no Akwatia mpuntu yete sai.
Okay.
Ade na mutumi yema omo
vis-a-vis MPP so do 4 times.
MPP so baaye no ade na omo so etumi yema omo nti sa no ma no na omo otu aba no ebehwe na oyede omo to so ma. Look about all apart from governmental performance.
Okay.
Your friend be affinity. Meaning kwa sorry oye mabusuani. Meaning ne go school. Me mami classmates. Ni nyina so influences ade.
Yanhwe Mustafa Bandi any other NPP executive so atwa hia ewo Akwatia. Omo yebu ablik manoto. Ye wie ni evri etia. It is Osha Henry Nana Boache, the national organizer, Edema NPP Amanyoko, one Joseph Yamosia national organizer, Edema NDC Amanyoko, and Omujrawe. Mamma said, you bet me at here, Amoko Nomo Edino Abia. Okay, that was what I say, Ablikmanot, or me a bisa. Yeah, Ablikmanot.
What was say?
I'm somebody come say, any better 2 hours cry.
Yeah. Na wensuno echire nkabom.
Okay.
Into on camera for the optics. Yes, say bibi say koso. Na mmom no emfi akomapem. Masem no no. If you say ba ko beka say obi ye car, me so me ye keke.
Obi ye keke.
Me so me keke.
No ye keke.
So into politicians there. Omo edi kan nti they make an say. Bring nyina no by elections ayako. And talk about that, and you want to feel Chrome one.
Yeah.
Ya import to my back constituency. And be there to trust them to scare voters. And it's on Baba said, man. And you know, say you come in election or in India. Into all, and they be a Dubai election, concentration is so high. Oh,
okay.
But me just say, Akwatia rerun.
Okay, for you, I come on more Edino, Evina, Emra is here.
Asante, Abednego. During our view. And they were all my mates. I'm a journalist by profession. Oh, wow. Yes, I'm a journalist by profession and a police officer. Yes. Yes, I'm a journalist by profession. Your Navy is my mate. Abednego Asante is my mate. Walanyo. Walanyo is my mate. I think he's with hit.
Yeah, no,
Wala is Adom. Yes. Grace was my mate before he left you.
And there's a Uti, Mustafa Bandi, the other only multimedia for journalists in the classmates. Okay.
Into near can say, as we and a in a year pay Sabaton because as we now you bidding could be could. Okay. The morning quenque, yes, say, Chiniachi, and I mean, only social margins in parliament now. NDC. 2/3, absolute majority.
I want to care about the effect of this election.
It's insignificant. But
NPP and NDC.
Yes, it's insignificant. NPP nya ebebo so oh kakra na ye wo no ye bo ho ban. Enti ye de be ko
88 no.
88 no yo ma bo ho ban. Na mom ekofiri mu pe ba Akwatia firi mu a
aba 87.
Na je say oba
be say 87 boa. And so okay, Mate.
So, into and also a combama, not just say, a quacker abemubu, say, hey, Ablekumanov, a free answer.
May I slice now the impact of outcome of these elections no on Ayonuni. Okay, it's 5 see a 2 hour way area, what would be the impact?
Yeah, so on CCR Parliament, maybe I Jinano, NDC 183. It's Mutala Mohammed. Nay 184.
Okay.
Absolute majority.
Okay.
But it's Mutala Mohammed a free moon. It's 183. Okay. NPP is 88. And Eskumia free moon 87. Okay. Independent 4.
Okay.
It's Naka 2 no Akwatia cost on there.
And
Tamale Central so because of 30th.
It is people say NDC we near. It will take them back to the absolute
majority. 184.
With 184.
184.
NPP every near.
Ebesan de Omaba 88.
The same 88 now. And my NPP and is holding the absolute majority now.
Yeah, on says see about free so.
Okay.
Into no absolute majority now.
Okay.
And Tamale Central be kan ho 184 na do.
Not automatic because NPP
Tamale Central obenya Tamale Central. But NPP pull it out.
NPP pull it out.
Okay.
Into absolute exactly.
Okay.
One into and American say into the little motivation.
As mo ya man come na kwa discuss say be dey say wa Akwatia.
The be on say Ekwa say MPP Omaluzu Ablekuma North.
Okay.
Say Akwatia so be kan ho a say na kakra mukura ni gia na yaji film sem. And so ba
so the impact
exactly
the psychological
for future elections.
Okay. You know the merits and demerits, you know.
Okay.
That's why the odds are against MPP.
Yeah.
But NDC has nothing to lose.
Sure.
It will be Bruni say misnomer. The can misnomer. Adibia say Asia Mama.
Okay.
So say NDC be o margin say ye koboma e dey Akwatia.
Okay.
So what
like say omma gidigidi ebe mu as to who wins ah.
Nwanwa che say nwanwa because Tamale Central no it will still take you back to
the absolute majority now.
So it ade ebiem na akwaje free MPP ho a
maybe they want to make a case to say the new patriotic party it's not a party.
The only thing is to write history.
Yeah.
And the history is that Yabu Abra wasum.
Okay.
So what you say?
Okay.
Yabu Abra wasum no won kwenti akra nso no Babaje free winsem.
Okay.
Now kwa say utimi fu utimi wa. That is the only caveat in there. The argument MPP for withdraw from Tamale Central no. Na enkrofobi can say any and can DC for so withdraw from
Akwatia. Okay.
What a response in a
yeah.
So that is the only thing.
Because I say Akwatia no so no. Maybe yam for your agency way so. NDC for Gideon Reshimu be say omu wini Akwatia 2024.
There be statistics you know, the patch out.
Okay.
In year 2024 they can't contest it anywhere because the data, the difference, you know.
Okay. About 2,000 and something.
MPP appreciated by just 527 votes.
NPP.
Yes, that is coming from 2020 to 2024. Or appreciated by 527 votes. And NDC reduced by 2,693 votes.
NDC.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe this comparison is with what year? Is it 2020?
From 2020 to 2024.
Okay.
That
trend. Okay.
So what you are saying? The gains of 2020 as against the gains of 2024.
Okay.
MPP
so the NDC dropped by 2,000.
2,693 votes.
And NPP appreciated by
527 votes.
Already no a difference of 5,000 against NDC in 2020.
Say statistics in an person card.
Okay.
But my yen
okay.
And it is interesting. So what I say, what figures and I say very interesting.
Okay.
And when and a court NTM ruling in favor of the NDC.
Okay.
It's simple. Very simple. Because so here all the calculations are. Would you appreciate it? How do you take the thing?
Okay.
Who will lose you know, can I say we will lose you by 300 and a bill 200 bill 2,600 plus.
Okay.
So what you say?
Yeah.
Now the issue there no any. Okay. So what's the trend now? NDC at a point in time that is from 2000 to 2004. NDC appreciated by 5,415 votes.
Okay.
The same time, MPP appreciated by 5,581 votes.
Okay.
There was a difference of about 100 and something votes. What is here? Okay. It tells you how close that election was.
Okay.
Now, Ufri 96 about 2000. That was the first time I MPP at tasty over 2,000. And no crown was appreciated by 990 votes. What do I say? NDC lose by 10,000 over 10,000 votes. 96 to 2,000. That was NDP and 92.
92, yeah.
And over 96.
Okay.
And no ube lose. So what I say? But all ban over 2,000 before
a time.
Or appreciated by 990. But the incumbents are on free 92. About 96 about 2,000. The incumbent party will lose over 10,000 votes. What does it tell you? So what I say? So we are trend now the bar. NDC losses are too huge.
Akwatia.
NDC losses are too huge. 10,000. So I think say the least loss 1,624.
Yeah,
and that was from 2004 to 2008.
Okay.
So you see, in election,
so
okay. So,
the dynamics in there no, quite tricky, and that is why we use our statistics, you know. Now, what they compare to what is happening in Akwatia in terms of voter responses. Maybe on beto abako, you know, nena se for na. Which means MPP stands at a very good position. What is here?
Okay.
They stand at a very good position to win the election. All right. And the only dynamics about MPP lose no na makachira ono.
If the state actors no compromise
yes. And in fact, if this election is run free and fair.
Also election be free and fair. Election be free and fair organ.
So also that is show to them.
Dr. Tutubuai.
And I say
election be say free and fair. So certainly believe say we free and fair.
Also that na won kan ya.
Okay.
So we show to them. The mumu so that na so ntimi kan sentiri.
Well, Akwesi, with these figures, I must say,
yeah,
we share from 2000, ABC 2024.
Yeah,
she's the only MP not pencil. We have a margin of over 5,000.
I see. I will see a whole. Okay.
I'm say a year back. 2016.
You see, maybe.
Because you are correct, no. Asamo. Okay. Etieni. NDC lose 2016. NDC lose by 4,403 votes.
Okay.
NMPP gaining by 1,696 votes.
Okay.
As against the previous election.
Yes.
That's 2012 there.
From 2012 to 2016. From 2012 to 2016. So you see, say, any time NDC able lose votes, you know, it gets into MPP. But votes now, if it wasn't free, MPP will call NDC.
But NDC didn't be MPP didn't. NPP didn't no more losing no enco to NDC.
Yes, so we said baby, the only time NPP lose here no was 1,486. That was 2004 to 2008. 1,400 and they dropped. Okay. But the net effect was like a call NDC on. NDC so lose by 1,624 votes. So how is the city here?
NPP could lose here. The vote no lose here no. Like any yem to cry.
Enco
to NDC. Okay.
You see?
Okay.
You see? But sorry. But again, NDC so clear cases of abstention.
Okay. Like yen to aba mento baby.
But say yen to ayan konko to my way.
Okay.
That's why you see say MPP dey no call NDC DM.
Okay.
So what I say. But again, you could see the same thing say NDC DM na ebeba MPP DM na also. So it means say the intra-party swings, you know, and also.
Okay.
So what I say, inter-party swings, you know, and also. So MPP has the opportunity to take advantage of NDC votes, swings, you know.
Okay.
Swing MDC for no.
Yeah.
But then also.
But mami twa mo mre se kwesi fa che meba so na ya beto twa meba e ba na me wara up e wo mami fa jamna e wa amane so jamna good morning.
Good morning.
Afa e fa na ojina.
Mijina takrase.
Okay, dia na ko so anopai.
Yo, me da se sabre dia abato no se dia enjehye tie no omotimi ahye bibia ase enwano na abatakrase a police stations e wa ha mako edu 10 ena e wa ha na ye shase na tese omedi kan atototo bia kama etika fa shase dia na ye shase nkogba bia yakokọ kokoni nyina nanka yemfa emam idika ko NYCO takrase na enipa dodo ese to aba no eye 474 atata no pa 751 amedu ho na nipa 35 ena ato na oba takrase Presby Primary School a almost anopa amedu ho 810 na enipa ato aba no eye 26 na upper expect enipa mark If you are no about funeral Takrasi funeral grounds, so you do ho anopa 822 no, na nipa 26 na ato aba no. Na omo expect say nipa 255 and beto aba no. If you are Methodist church Takrasi nipa omo expect some beto aba na 306. At anopa 831 na me do ho na nipa 36 and ato aba no. Afi town mosque I what Takrasi me do ho no nkono pepepe na nipa omo expect some beto aba na 437 na nipa 62 and abeto aba no. You find by the backgrounds I what Takrasi and also nipa omo expect some beto aba na 581 as at 97 am ko do ho no na nipa 74 and ato aba no. Nti wo hwemu a abato na asase a bibia ekwaso mdiem security nso wa ha udu kro ni mu a wotun se police station bia no manhu aposi for kwa be 30 na mo ho bo ban achese bibia ekoso na ade ba ko akoye yi kakra ne se oba Takrasi township na ase kro no ekwan ne yefutu kwan sa nti na ntan ya omo be ye by election ya ne hu se omo be ye feeling achese omo ye kwan no a na manfutu ba kro ni mu nti omo asase a omo water kwan ne so ama kwan ne so omo water so acheche kakra ba nti mrewa ene mpanifo a omo ne afika kakra no ekoto aba na omo complain ese atechaba kwan no so na nkatete emre sei na eso mo water kwan no eno ana ade abakakra beka se yehu a eyi kakra na so ni nyina echi no enipa di akire a omo to aba bibia ekoso so mdwem
bana asipi kwasi dwamna ya mane bone ya onso ewo Akwatia eno de amane boy efri ebre so kwekuna manfo message kakra ye wa memfa twela mem kodam ho emra is here we say kwasi good morning. So all these police officers are here in Ghana and Bole Sola Tuna and Boko is not stop peace. Okay. Anyway, bye. With this small by lesson, just look at the security presence over there, and we cannot get the same police officers in the place where people are running out from their own homes. Hey. So dear, I don't know. So this one to says, okay. See, do you know the statistics? Okay, so see, your statistics doesn't carry weight. Do you know the statistics of Ablekuma North? But you saw what happened. Okay. Isaac Tete, the other day, and will say the Ghana Police Service and the IG should prove to the people of Ghana that indeed they are on top of their game by ensuring peace, security, and decorum in Akwatia during and after this by-election. Jobo, Edward Fripoka say, or the where's the thumbs up to Adom for the good work that you are doing. Our security has to be very vigilant and avoid violence. Dennis Kwache, Edia, also Edibai. No, so share the live coverage of Akwatia by-election on Adom TV, UT Live, so Adom 106.3 FNFA, Asempa 94.7 FM. Consume of the Nayeba, Cecilia Betwaso. Yeah, man, we now come so ABM. I was Akwatia say ko sabre ya de asundwem ho ana yenam de eko echebesa akọ grounds bi me ka say bono ndipe ye me so but by 2 we besa wa back with Adom Kase esi verse 1 na efi 3 yasa asomo ebiem de sie ebe kwa ko si say electoral commission be ka say esimesa na so benten ena de kuni ba ma ne bo aye say ka chem say asotro bia bam o say ma show ese asotro bia bam den edi atete say asoka te so wa hwe masawoda sumpa
wo say
NBB vice chairman wa pada sum e to
wo ena ameka no azokai ofie sirem ho onto aba ho masawodu nsusu onto aba ho enti omo say security for
they are national executive.
No, you see in future me must suggest say anka security for no party for entrance.
Okay.
But the when we have campaign on the day of voting, won't feel constituency why am I? Near constituency for now because party more from police station executives, more electoral area executives, and some more constituency police station electoral area and as a what and a constituency omo can manage it then say go for fee different places about big war I feel no co create problem
place supervisory
they be supervisory rule main election on bow you see these are some of the things but say on man for no fit krom ho problem be anymore omo fit do be outsiders omo no be ko dey hu na say nkofo ntumi pie ko to omo ba anyway election na by this time by election they are who hwe
yeah
ebe ko 3
okay
ho na mo hwe turn out no ho na afebo hu ye no omo ye omade and counting edu ho obi ankoso apu pink sheet
like sorting in
obi ankoso apu pink sheet say you see 2024 no begin say easy for no o ma ye omodwuma yie
and no easy papa can on be 2024
no be konya pink sheet for franco fail results
na papa
pay no fengu
because that's the challenge
because only 3 candidates
they free
no obo na adwuma ene na busua ho ban
see and I make because obi ankoso apu pink sheet ti say the see 2024 no na nko kwese akokan wie no
ma okay bi ekotie komo amasawood ene isatwefo twe komode atuja
At the moment, I'm granting an interview. Azoka and his boys just come straight on me and attack me. But for now, I have reported the matter straight to the IGP. I have reported the matter straight to the IGP because he is the national vice chairman of their party. I am also the national vice chairman of our party. I never mentioned his name by an insult. But I'm here and he just come to attack me. He attacked me just for nothing. This shows how NDC believe in violence. We did not believe in violence. We believe in peace because everybody is here for peace. Everybody is here for peace. I never attack anybody in my speech. I never attack anybody physically or even spiritually. I'm a Muslim. But if you attack me, if you just come and attack me just simple because I'm granting an interview, I didn't see the sense on it. But I am telling the whole world what Azoka did for me today. Azoka, I'm a Dogomba man. I am a Dogomba man. You are staying in Tamale. And you come and attack me. What about if my people from Tamale to attack you? How will it end it? I'm a chief. I'm a chief in Kumbungu village. And you come and attack me. If my people are going to retaliate, what will happen? What will happen? And the police are here. Everybody, all the peace officers are here when Azoka attack me. And I'm sending a question to Azoka. I am not afraid of Azoka. What Azoka is doing, he's putting himself to a shame. We Northerners, today, Northerners, we have to show maturity. We have to show maturity. But why is it that when something happens like this, it's only we the Northerners that attacking each other? I never attack you. I never attack Azoka. Why are you attacking me? But look, Alhaji Masaudu, I will never allow any intimidation. I can't be intimidated. I, Masaudu, cannot be intimidated. I cannot.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. National Vice Chair for the MPP and Chairman Azoka and the boys are attacking. Yeah, or they, yeah, I understand. Thank you very much. Na nia ekoso ewaha enono yeguso ye need the insemino echi ochese wa report ama IGP enti na nia ewo ho enono yeguso ade amane no ebebreo
ebeda se eti si ye na de sa la report e ebe
MPP National Vice Chairman ya tie nasem but yente Azoka so de
okay
enti no untimi en conclude
ana yente enkomodie kwa no odie ma Azoka be attack no
exactly enti no at this moment it will be premature for me to say anything maybe they say or say or the assembly ama IGP into police or the papa police penidia o mahwehwem na nia achia no omatren no na asumdua because no okeka nsem bi so your hene ewo kumbungu honum baabi ono so wone dom enti mu nyina so mu fi esirem ho wa attack ni se nkofo so koto nkofo so a na edi na koba dabi yempese saa de ne bebe bi enti em de pa se Alhaji Masaud odi asem no edi ma IGP mi gidi se COP tetenyo nu aya IGP ono ngasa betra asem so na ni manimu ye a no wa hwe na waka asem no ma ye mfifim na ne no kreda no mo de ato se na be edi asem bi beba
ba kwasi
kwa guchu me so obaye we so me prepare sa Akwatia elections ya kwa basa esi or se be hwe sa data no so doctor ba be am say me too comfortable ba be akwaso the NDA that a linkage to the north
Badwam say ezi so ko ba bi na nipa mienu ko a
na no de ni si
no bisa say enura de ni si
it between Onuma Saud ni Azoka no
it bisa say de na esi wo montam dada
okay
ba nya de esi ne
like say wo tawataw bi dada wo montam a mon solve ya
ana say adukunti ma ni gina so ka about say oye da gombani no yo hene na sefo no ebia no so asechire ho nti no ka sa asem no because say uwo baby na wote say ebia o papa uwo fa odofu bi obi akwa akoto ahye no so a uti anye ekura uti anye ya wonkonko bi za se de ne si yo enti unse esirim ho no ehon se dan no bebre sa so but I didn't like it the moment I introduce you
that linkage in
that link no introduce you and I didn't like it but the reality is so ewom so what you say say what you hene na ne manfo bu no so ho na wo nim se what you hene na amamere mu no yemfa yensa nkeka wo hene basabasa no akwaye sa de no de na pese o kire
that if say yes
o say enye sa anko ankase ayesa ana ebia wo twa ntro ato azo kan so
bibia e possible
ba say sa de a anhwe no no so manfo no amfa nche o
okay
because so ni say I confirm to me the trouble ba na say yes asase kitu abi nso the trouble aba na wodo nsa akoka wo hene so ho enti edu ba bi a amanyosem no ye wotumi a ye de ba de du ba bi a ne ahwe ni yi
okay
na wahu se wo limit
okay
so what you say
ma me ko etichum buani enti ase elections ya nya wo Akwatia since 1992 ebesi 2024 emu se ne enya ya recording electoral violence
yes Akwatia de no a basically ni record of violence
okay
ejero na election na basically ejina emiaye enum enum na ejina Akwatia main town achim wenchi boadua takrase na achim kusi Akwatia main town where NDC stronghold
okay
intino anytime be our afenyo marking case na ba na almost almost prima ne ma ho nti NDC person onya ne vote ni nyina wo ho sekim na achim wenchi NPP base person onya ne vote ni nyina wo ho nti no mu hu NDC ni bi obeye yi kakra bi a omone ne be gidigidi
okay
na boadua na NPP candidate ne free na ehonso no boadua east NDC stronghold boadua west NPP stronghold nti ehonso so obi ankrema ne nyonko on the base na NDC candidate ne free achim takrase na kejemfu a free former DC Seth ono so free takrase nti omumie no magic no be work against NDC candidate na
okay
ehonso no gidi betumi aba wo ho no
okay so in general Akwatia as a constituency that any history of electoral violence
na nkete obia ne base
like the pocket na you record other is
I remember 2012 there was rerun of 9 polling stations
no na ballot box obi snatch here
so
na nkete
so tro by
nkete say ya obi hu obi pa o se memprema ma ha memma ha base sa no mo ye no
so it means with Akwatia there no as a obia ye keen in protecting the area onya the majority vote efi
sa pepepe and anopai baby ati wanti na no ane Akwatia de no main Akwatia
yeah
then ubehu achim wanti then amatomen kakra ubehu oh we say hey and this for by say na gidigidi aba ho kakra buadua say the same thing a high base e ma or NPP candidate na buadua or lorry station na no one buadua east or side e ho na NDC base and NDC out of that 625 votes no NDC nya 348 in the 2024 election nti na ho na NDC base nti bibiki tuwe bi pa office o be scatter ni vote no ye gidigidi omo patapa obi akọ ne baby nti no any violence say yakun obi e prepare bi asa kakra gidigidi bi ba kakra bi na o ma solve.
We only hope you say yenya ablock manot yenya ayawaso so gone e ho honom na yaminti ensi yaminti
na eni ahwe omo nyina anya ahwe
eni no kredie
because Mr. Akwatia mindful do omo nko dem ahoko na ho ba ho aprosifo no mo mani ni omachi
kwa manfa we mbawe campaign no wote say candidate ni bia e check off obetimi aboa me Akwatia galamse wa Akwatia
Debbie on the body to me fast ankomo nko is so boys no mo adwuma no
o do ko beti ato
o de nkomo ne ko say kim na is a campaign and form
candidate effect no eba no
okay
so candidate effect na Akwatia guy no minor no ono no ne adwuma ne ba ko nso Akwatia o ekoko basa enkrofo no mo ye adwuma no enu na sefo so I think say he has some kind of advantage in fact development no ho there but so far so share from JDM1 down to Nana Kufuado so far we said major project bia
developmental project bia mate mera say Dr. Tutuboy political marketer or also charity or University of Education Winneba Akwasia my editor of Adom special desk kokuchum Adom research department me dey akwasi is in a second koma production team ni nyina samo kan oboa ye emergement de ewie pe ewie nso enwie ye ewia dumienu yesa esia no miensa yesa wa toamu akopem se ye bo abato no ede ewie koso na hwe Adom TV tie Adom 106.3 FM ne koso tie Asempa 94.7 FM Dakra